So this session will be handling both in Tamil and English. And of course, the entire session, we are going to explain everything in English. And during the QA time, you may ask your question in Tamil as well as in English. Okay, I'm getting a response. Good, good. Akram, Sushma, Sai, Praveen, Priya, Pandimina, Sayed, Nitya Kumari, Prakash. Thank you guys. Thank you for the response. Good to know that you guys already watched that video. Is there anybody don't have idea about which video we are talking about? If so, please put it in the chat. Ashok, you are talking about some videos, but I'm not getting an idea of what video you are talking about. Bharani, your voice is not audible. How about other online? I hope people other online are able to hear us, Bharani. Could you please check your audio systems? Looks like other participants are able to hear us. All right. Yes, over to you, Santosh. Santosh, we can get it started. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for attending the session, guys. So good morning once again. Have a happy Super Saturday today. So let me introduce first myself. I'm Santosh from AJSD. So I'm a career consultant, business lead for corporate leads here. And we are AJSD Academy. So we are providing Salesforce training here since 2018, around 3,000 plus trainees. We have trained as of now. And yeah, let me introduce Mr. Ashok Raj here, CEO founder with Salesforce developer with 11 years of experience. Hi, Ashok.
Hi, Santosh.
Hi. And Mr. Ram Manohar, technical experts, as a business analyst working as a Digigas India Private Limited. Hi, Ram.
Yeah, hi, Santosh. Hi, all.
Hi.
Good morning.
And Mr. Prakash, our senior career counselor, and Mr. Harish. Welcome, Mr. Prakash and Harish.
Hi, Santosh. Good morning. Good morning to everyone.
And Ms. Preeti, our junior Salesforce developer in Digigas Private Limited. Hi, Preeti. Good morning.
Hi, happy morning.
Happy morning. So hope we almost got 70 plus participants as of now. So can we wait for 1 more minute, guys? If yes, please put yes in the chat. So we expect more people to join. Yes, thank you for the response, Upendra, Sayed, Prakash, Abu. So let's make yourself comfortable. Let us not rush, and we are here to help you out with all your questions and queries, whatever is running in your mind. We understand. So the first 1 hour, 35 to 45 minutes will be around. We'll be discussing about our Salesforce and how Salesforce has businesses. Okay, so okay, now almost 70. So shall we start, people? Please type yes if we can start. So what are the agenda we are going to discuss in today's session? Free Salesforce correct session. Let me share my screen. If you can able to view my screen, please type yes. Okay. Hope everyone is able to see my screen, right? Okay.
Yes, Santosh.
Sure. Thank you. So yeah, it's a Salesforce career guidance session. We AJSD officially we have been announced as a Trailblazer workforce partner. And let me go with our agenda here. So agenda is regarding welcome. Already I've done the welcomes here, and regarding IT and business. Hope everyone has watched that video. We got a response as well. Thank you for that. And we'll be discussing about Salesforce, how it helps businesses. Ms. Preeti will be giving a demo for that. And regarding Salesforce roles and career paths, Mr. Ram Manohar, and Salesforce as a career, who can pursue. And of course, around 11 a.m. we'll be having an interactive FAQ sessions, and we're ending with a quiz. Okay, so I will stop the screen now. So few more minutes. Okay, 70 plus has joined. So shall we start, guys? Okay. Yeah, Shushma, yes, Chandru, Raju, okay. Okay. So hope everyone watched that video, right? As we discussed early in the morning. today regarding what is IT, what is business, what is CRM. So I would like to ask Miss Preeti to just go with the Salesforce, how the Salesforce sells businesses. She'll be giving a short demo, a small demo, and over to you, Miss Preeti. So please be attentive, guys. So the next 1 hour, 2 hour will be more informative for you. It helps you a lot. And as I said, if you have any doubts, you can leave a message. We will again discuss you once this 1 hour gets complete. Okay. Over to you, Preeti.
Thank you, Santosh. Hi, everyone. Happy morning. Okay. Today, I'm going to share a quick demo of how Salesforce helps businesses. Okay. Before I talk about Salesforce, let me guys ask a simple question. Imagine you run a business, maybe selling bikes or mobiles. Okay. Some customers call you, some walk into your shop, some send you messages in online. How you will remember who asked for what, when to follow up, or who is really interested customers. How you will manage all these details.
Guys, you can just leave a message. You can type in a chat if we ask any questions. Right now, mostly all of you are on mute, I think. Yeah, yes.
Sheets.
Thank you.
Not in spreadsheets. Okay, customer support. Okay, if you guys most guys are selling spreadsheets, Excel sheets. We can manage in Excel sheets. If you are typing all the data in Excel sheets, there is a chance you manual errors while typing the data. Okay, and also if you miss tracking, you may lose the customers, right? In that case, that's where a system like Salesforce comes in. It helps businesses keep all customer information in one place, guide business owners and employees step by step. Okay, from showing interest to till they actually buy the product. It remembers, CRM remembers everything for you and automates tasks and helps you to grow without missing any opportunities. Without missing any customers, you can touch with customers. Then what is Salesforce? Salesforce is the #1 CRM in the market. CRM means a customer relationship management system. In simple words, it's a cloud platform that helps businesses. It collects all customer requests in one place, automate boring tasks like sending mails. We can automate all the tasks. Remind employees what to do next. It will remind all the employees what they need to do next. Okay, track progress with reports and dashboards. Think of how you use mobile contacts app. Okay, you guys all are using in mobile contacts app you are using, right? It shows names, numbers, birthdays, right? Like that. Salesforce is also like that only, but for businesses, which much more power. I will share my screen. Show yes. Guys, I'll share my screen, right? This is a Salesforce org. This is a platform. As a Salesforce developer or end user going to use this org. Okay. Before that, for this demo, I created a simple website. Okay. Imagine this is a car selling website. If the customer was interested, means they will find out this form. They will fill this form. Okay. I'm filling this form from one of my another mail, like some random customer. My budget is 5 lakh to 10 lakh. New one. Okay. Once I submitted this form, Salesforce automatically creates a lead inside the system. Previously, I showed one or create one system, right? Inside that system, it automatically create one org. No need to type any data manually. A lead is like a customer only. A lead means like a first hello from customer. It tells us someone is interested. I will go to the org. I showed you, right? This is the org. I open my application, Carvilla. Carvilla is my company's name. This is the application I'm using. See. After that form was submitted, in leads, you can find the details. We have a lot of lists also. Today's leads, I'm going to check. See, here, all the leads you can find here. Need to refresh this. Turkish. Page. Okay. I filter. See. This is the form I submitted. Harishi. Okay. Can find the details here. All the details I filled appeared here, right? We can easily find all the details in. If lead created means it's just a someone was interested for our product. We need to talk with them like that only. Okay. After submitting, after they submit the form, they will receive one email. Okay. This is the mail they will receive. Thank you for your interest in Carvilla. No need to send a mail manually. It was automatically sent. Okay. And also for every lead, Salesforce will assign one owner. Owner means one of the employee. It will Preeti Bhaskar New York is one of the employee of Carvilla. This lead was assigned to Preeti Bhaskar New York. Okay. So Preeti Bhaskar New York means this is the mail that the employee was using. That employee also will get one mail. Yeah. I think it was in spam.
Okay, in the meantime, Priti is checking his email. The question to everyone in the chat, you can also put it in the chat. So Priti is doing something. Okay, so what Priti is doing is assume that there is a car company, and that car company launching a new product. Say, for example, in Tata Nexon, a new Nexon vehicle is being introduced in the Tata thing. And you want to book a car for a test drive, right? Assume that I am the Tata company and I am the one releasing new vehicle in the market. Now, I have to let you all know that I have released a new vehicle in the market. Imagine there are 87 people in this particular session, and I'm letting you all know, hey, I have launched a new car. And some of you wants to book a test drive. Suppose if you are all putting in this chat says that, Ashok, I want a test drive, I want a test drive, I want a test drive. I will ask, okay, say for example, in this chat, I see there is a Praveen Rajendran. If Praveen Rajendran putting in the chat says that, Ashok, I want a test drive, then I will ask, which date you want, which car you are looking for, what are the other details you look at this form she's filling. Okay, what is your budget range? From which city you are from? There are chances you from Chennai. There are chances you from Noida, right? For one single customer, imagine I'm a sales representative. I have to sit with you, note down all your data. Then I have to go back to my team and I have to tell the team says that there is a person interested in our car. Could you please get in touch with them and schedule a test drive? If it is a one person to handle that one customer, I need to spend minimum 10 to 15 minutes taking all your information, going back to my team and check the team's availability and assigning you to the one of the engineer who can help you with test drive. For companies like Tata, look at that. They got crores of customers. To deal with one customer, if taking 15 minutes, just 100 customers NIH, 150 minutes. They are having crores of customers. One sales representative, two sales representatives, not at all enough. And it is a typical data entry job. They have to spend a huge time over that. Instead of that, what you are seeing in the screen is, Preeti, can you go back to the Carvilla website? Look at that. Suppose if Tata Motors has a website like this, and in that they have a very simple form where the customer can go and fill all the details. The moment they submitted the form, the data will be automatically captured in the Salesforce at the back end. Preeti, go back to the Salesforce org and go to the lead section. From the website, that all the information, what and all you have entered in the website, that will be captured in the lead section. Okay, the important question here is, who is going to use this application? The sales manager, sales representative, they are the one going to use this Salesforce application, and they got all the information here. Not only that, the moment the lead has been created in this system, it will be automatically routed, automatically assigned to the people who are available to handle the customer. As in that 100 customers are filling that form. There are 10 Salesforce users, or 10 sales representatives are there. We have a system in Salesforce called lead management. What it will do, it will automatically route the information entered in this system automatically to the lead managers. That's what Preeti was demonstrating. Like they will get an email notification says that, hey, there is a lead has been created. There is a customer who is interested in this particular car. Call him, talk to him, schedule a test drive. So customer acquisition will happen very easily with the help of Salesforce. What you are just seeing is one, I can say, a tip of the iceberg of Salesforce, right? But not only that, with the help of Salesforce, you can automate the entire business flow, right from customer acquisition, customer inquiries, and if you have any business data. In fact, this is what we have covered in detail in our videos that explaining what is IT, how IT helps the business, what is business, and most importantly, what is CRM. Those who missed that particular videos, right? You are all part of a WhatsApp group, right? Maybe I will ask our team to post that in a WhatsApp group once again. After the session, you can, Preeti, you can stop share your screen. I will share my screen. Because if you are someone who is completely new to IT business, is my screen is visible? Everyone, please put it in the chat if my screen is visible. Good. If you are someone completely new to IT, Ashok, I never heard about IT. I don't know what these IT people are doing in front of the system whole day, and they are earning like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, and we are getting only 10,000, 12,000. If you're somebody completely new to IT, we strongly recommend you to watch this playlist, videos in this playlist, which is available both Tamil as well as in English. That gives you the idea of what is IT, how IT works, how IT helps the business, what is business first of all, and here comes the important one. What is CRM, customer relationship management? What is that? How it helps the business. If you don't have this understanding, you will not understand Salesforce. Because if we cover these section, right, this alone will take another 2 to 3 days. That's the reason we have been posting this video in our WhatsApp group for the last 1 week. It is okay if you don't have the, if you never watched this video, it is absolutely okay. We are going to cover this on the high level and you will get the clarity one by one. Okay. So the video has been shared in this WhatsApp group. So take a look at that when you are get a chance. Maybe you got today and tomorrow as a chances. Got it. So Preeti has just shown how a typical thing is works. Let me show you some real-time example of where Salesforce has been used. I'm sharing my screen. You go to Salesforce and go to Salesforce website and go to this customers, and you can go to customer stories, and you can see the list of businesses who are all using Salesforce here. Tata Motors, Tata Powers, Manyavar, SSKL, Genpact. There are so many customers. They're all using Salesforce. Okay, we understood they're all using Salesforce, but the question is why they are using Salesforce. Let me show you a real-time example how Salesforce can help, like this car booking one. Let me go to this website called FCA, Financial Conduct Authority, which is a financial conduct authority for UK. If you have to do any business in UK, you have to register your company under FCA. Only then the people within UK will do business with you. Assume that I want to invest in any company in UK. I want to know whether that particular company is registered under UK government financial conduct authority or not. What I will do, I will go to this website, which is UK government website. I will go to here. I will go here and type like which company I want to invest, AXA, and I go and search here. Immediately, I will get the list of companies registered under FCA here. Not only that, I can go and select the company and I can take a look at them. What is this company is all about? And when did they start the company? Who is this firm? What is their registered address? What is their phone number? What is their registered number? So now I can assure this company, especially company with this website, is an authenticated website. It is registered under UK government. The UK government is taking a look at these websites. If I'm going to buy any product from this company, which is a legitimate and a good product, because this has been listed under FCA. Okay, we are all talking about this company, but what is the relation between this and the Salesforce? You see here, the data, what you are seeing here is pulled from the Salesforce. The URL you are seeing here, look at the URL. It got the ID, right? 0001. Let me show you from where it is actually pulling up. In Salesforce, we have an option to store the company informations, and we call that as accounts. Not only in Salesforce, in all CRM, it has account. If you go to Salesforce and if you search for account, it has the company information. In the meantime, the page is getting loaded. You can also visit this page where you can get the list of companies available. Maybe I can also put this in our chat. So this will give you idea what all the companies are currently using the Salesforce. Okay, the page got opened. Look at this. So if I open any record, you see any URL here, 0001. We call this as a record ID in Salesforce. This 001 mentioned that it is an account. So what you are seeing here is nothing but an account. But look at the UI. Look at how people are able to use this. What I have just shown is one another use case of how Salesforce works. Similarly, there are so many websites and so many companies are using Salesforce for their day-to-day business. So Salesforce makes the business life easier and CRM makes the business life easier. That's it. And down the line, we are also going to show you some of the other use cases, how Salesforce helps business, and how I'm going to learn Salesforce, and how I'm going to get a job and being an admin or developer, and how I'm going to support this business. For all your information, I have worked for this particular organization, and I'm also one of the team members who developed the website, what you are seeing here, and the pages, what you are seeing here. It is not just a website. Basically, it's a Salesforce org at the back end. We have designed in such a way so that it can be used easily for the people outside. They are using a Experience Cloud product in Salesforce. If you go to Salesforce, there are different type of products they are having. And this particular company, they are using Experience Cloud. You got Commerce Cloud, Multiple Cloud, and all these are products available in Salesforce. And they're also using some Lightning Web Components, Service Cloud within this for this particular organization, right? Yes, we are going to talk more about Salesforce. We are going to talk more about the Salesforce opportunities one by one. And over to Preeti or over to Santosh if you we go with the agenda as planned. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashok. Thank you, Preeti. So, hope now we got some understanding like how Salesforce helps businesses. So let us go with the next agenda. What we have. Okay, the next one is Mr. Ram Manohar. I would like to introduce Mr. Ram Manohar. So Mr. Ram Manohar will be introducing about the various Salesforce roles and career paths. Over to you, Mr. Ram Manohar.
Thank you, Santosh. Thank you, Preeti. Hi, guys. Very good morning. So just now, Preeti and Ashok has explained about Salesforce and how Salesforce works and all. So before jumping into our remaining things, I mean, what are the Salesforce roles and responsibilities? If you learn Salesforce, what is your career path? And if you want to, want to know all these things, I just want to ask you people. First, what is business in generalized information? Can I have the information from your side? It's like not one-way interaction. It should be like two-side interaction. I just want to know that from your side. So, Prakash. Ajmal, Nagaraj, Lognad, Sachin. Yeah, Sushma, all about pre-sales, post-sales. Okay. Kirtana, selling, buying product. Okay. Kaushik, nice product. Yeah, thank you, Prakash. So finally, I got the answer from Prakash. So business means outcome of business is revenue. Nothing but where we can make money, where we can get revenue. Okay, so that's what generalized information about the business. So just now Ashok has explained CRM, how it helps to business and all. So now, as per your knowledge, what is CRM actually? Arun, Praveen, yeah, Praveen, absolutely perfect. Making money, that's true. So, what do you know about CRM? Okay, leave about it. What is CRM and all? Ashok already explained. So now, tell me, what is your understanding between business and CRM? Question to everyone. Are you getting my voice, guys? Yeah, it's a both strategy. Yeah, tool to organize our business. Okay. Yeah, Sushma, CRM is customer centric. Good. CRM is tool for handling business. Yeah, good. 50% of your answer is good, Vishwesh. Yeah, done. Thank you. So, I just want to give a general information about CRM. CRM will help to business. How means it will reduce your time and increase the revenue. So, got it? It will reduce the time and increase the revenue. That's where CRM will works. In the market, we have lot of CRMs, but in that, Salesforce is the number one CRM. Why? Because Salesforce has some customized applications for each and every kind of business, like sales, service, etc., etc. So now coming to the point, you may understand if I learn Salesforce, what is my job security? Yeah, perfectly. If you put your 6 months of effort, 6 months to 8 months of effort to learn Salesforce, and you'll be having up to 10 years of career growth. That we can see now how it will works. So let me share my screen. Are you able to see my screen, guys?
Yes, it's visible now.
Yeah, thank you. So roles and responsibilities in a Salesforce project. So here we can discuss about your career growth. If you start your career in Salesforce, how it will be in next 10 years. So any idea roles and responsibilities are there in Salesforce? Okay, before that, why Salesforce, I mean, roles and responsibilities matters in Salesforce project? Any idea? We're talking about the growth, but I'm asking about why we need roles and responsibilities in the project. Yeah, Kiran, we'll discuss this after completion of the session. Okay, so in Salesforce, we have involved multiple teams and multiple people will be involved, like integration team and service cloud and sales cloud. Altogether, if you want to build an application with help of all the people, we need roles and responsibilities each and every department. And roles can give clear clear picture of the project, and it will to avoid miscommunications and to avoid gaps and duplications, etc. And finally, end result is we need to give the best delivered output to the customers. Customers mean nothing but end users. So now we can see what are the roles will be there in Salesforce project. It's a general information, not particularly only these roles. It will be differ, depends on the organization, depends on the project. So here you can see project manager, business analyst, and Salesforce administrator, Salesforce developer, solution architect, quality analyst, and business stakeholders. This is entire end-to-end project in Salesforce. I mean, in Salesforce end-to-end project. So if you take any project in Salesforce, these roles will be there. So now we can see one by one what is their roles and responsibilities with examples of a small cafeteria sales and management application. Project manager. So project manager, he wants the project delivery from end to end, like starting of the project. What once client visit to the organization, project manager will coordinate with the client and he'll discuss what is the budget, what is the budget mean, what is his requirement, what is the timeline he wants to get it, and he'll coordinate with the technical teams and he'll give the guidelines and he'll make sure project has to be delivered on time. So for this role, minimum 8 to 12 years experience required in Salesforce, and if you do like professional certifications like project management professional and all, that will be added advantage. An example, uh, if one person came to you, he want to start business with cafeteria business, he want to start where he can make 5 outlets in the city. So it's very tough to roaming here and there, and he can sit somewhere and he can check all 5 outlets revenue and all. So for that, project manager is the responsibility. He'll take the responsibility and he'll deliver the project to the client. So next one, business analyst. So business analyst, what he'll do is he'll gather requirement from the client and he'll create user stories, and he'll share the user stories to the people where they need to customize and when they need to configure all the acceptance criteria and how it works. Everything will be designed by a business analyst, and he'll make the documentation everywhere. I mean, every point of the project. First, for example, first 1 week, what they have done, or what they have taken the requirement from the client, either it's working or not. People who person who has to make this task and all, BA will be decide. For this role, required expenses, MBA graduates they can do this role, or if you have any business background, you'll be as a business analyst. And if you are into Salesforce, minimum 3 to 6 years of experience required as a business analyst. And there are certifications providing by some other organizations, private organizations. So if you do BA certifications, that will be added advantage for you. So same again example, BA collects from the client, like store manager, what he wants to keep it in application. Like if it is a cafeteria in his store, what are the things should be available? Those things will be collected by business analyst. So next one.
Just want to add one thing over here. Move on to the previous slide, Ram Manohar. So yes, for a senior business analyst, the required experience is 3 to 6 years of experience. But nowadays, junior business analyst role also getting opened in many organizations. For that, yes, if you're having any degree with good communication skill and also having a basic of business understanding, and yes, of course, if you're having Salesforce admin knowledge, you can also join any organization as a junior business analyst that don't require experience. People are nowadays hiring trained people as a fresher itself. Just want to add on this part. Yeah. Move on.
Yeah, thank you, Ashok. So next one, Salesforce administrator. So many of you having doubt. So if I learn Salesforce, which one I need to choose? Salesforce administrator or Salesforce developer? For Salesforce developer also, administrator will be the first step of the learning. So administrator will be the responsible for in the production. He'll be the responsible for creation of the users, roles, and creating the permission sets and preparing the reports and dashboard for the clients, etc., etc. So for this Salesforce administrator, any graduate can learn this. And if you want to get the job in the Salesforce market, 0 to 2 years experience also will be getting it. And Salesforce administration certification will be added advantage for you. Certifications, where will come means whenever recruiters want to filter the candidates, that's where certifications will come. So in case if 2 people are coming with same knowledge, that time they'll come up with certification. That's how it works. Otherwise, it's not mandatory actually. And so example like admin builds the daily sales dashboard for cafeteria owners. So as I said, cafeteria owner, he has started 5 outlets in the city. So if you want to see daily revenue, either he's getting revenue or not, if you want to see the report, admin can create the reports and dashboard and say he'll send it to a client. So this is what Salesforce administrator.
Okay. So in the meantime, do we have Preeti still on call? Preeti, you there?
Yeah, she's there.
Preeti, could you please log into Salesforce and you can show just any reports and dashboards so that people can understand what in general admin can do. Maybe Ram, you can stop share your screen, and Preeti, you can share your screen. And for people, for you have a better clarity what a Salesforce administrator do in day in and day out, take a look into the screen what Preeti is doing. It's one another use case, what in general admin will do. So you see the reports and dashboard in the screen. So this is something business will give the requirement, says that I need a report, I need a dashboard like this, should be available in my home page. They will simply go to, there is an option in Salesforce called reports. Yes, go to reports, Preeti. They'll simply go to reports and they will click on new report and they will pull the data. Just click on new report and configure a simple report. We are just explaining what is the day-to-day activities the admin going to do. One such activity is just creating the reports and dashboards. Because to create the reports and dashboards or creating a fields, you don't require any coding knowledge. All that you must have a good business understanding and how you are going to configure the business for the users. I just create any simple report. Yeah, select leads. Preeti is just trying to create a report about the leads. That's it. Look at that. The moment she created the list of columns and fields are correctly available. Suppose if she wants to add any more columns, she can take the column from here. Just like how you will be adding columns and rows in the Excel sheet. That's how we have to. And similarly, you can also add the filters. On the right side, you see there is a filters. Yes, Preeti, you can add a filters. So in Excel sheets, how we will add a filter. Similarly, she can also add a filter like leads, which is created only last week, create a date. It's okay, Preeti. It's okay. Just showing how it is okay. Can click on cancel and you can run the report. So that's it. A report has been created. Look at that. Already took 1 minute or 2 minutes for Preeti as an administrator just to create a report based on the business requirement. So like that, there are so many other use cases a report administrator will do day to day. So to become a Salesforce administrator, you don't require the coding knowledge, but you must have a good Salesforce knowledge and Salesforce business knowledge. Yeah. Thank you, Preeti. You can stop share your screen. Yes, Ram Manohar. Please continue with your explanation on developer.
Yeah, thank you, Ashok. Thank you, Preeti. So now we are moving on very important role in Salesforce projects, that is Salesforce developer. We can say developer role will be like backbone of the project because he has to think logically, he has to understand the business overview, and same way he has to work. He should have coding knowledge, and he all together he has to give best output to the client. So here developer will work on Apex classes, triggers. He can build LWC components, and if it is required, he need to do the integration with external systems. And apart from this, he need to take care of everything. No negative should be happened in the project. That means because of his logical thinking, output should be come in positive way. So Salesforce developer will be playing key role in the entire project. So for this developer role, required expense is any graduate can learn Salesforce development part, but preferred candidates will be BTech or CS background. Because CS background or BTech candidates can be related to the coding knowledge, so they can learn easily. For other people also can learn, but it will take some time. In case if BTech students, if they learn within 3 months, other graduates will get like 4 to 5 months, maximum 6 months. And coding knowledge is required. And 0 to 2 years experience also, you can get the job in the market as a Salesforce developer. And again, there are developer certifications as well. If you want to do it, you can get Salesforce developer certifications as well. And coming to the example, if you as we discussed, if you are into cafeteria management, if you want to deliver the product to the customer through online, we can integrate with Swiggy or Zomato, which are available in food applications from Salesforce. So this role can be played crucial role in the Salesforce project. Like it said, it's like backbone of the project. And without coding knowledge, a developer can't survive in the market. And moving on to the next slide. Solution architect. So many of the people doesn't know what is solution architect position. Solution architect means nothing but you need not to learn additional knowledge in Salesforce. If you have good experience in Salesforce, in coding, coming to coding,
Yes,
coming to admin
Ram,
knowledge, and if you have good business understanding, yes, yes, Ashok.
just want to have a pass
Yes, Ashok.
over here. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes.
Hello.
So as I said, solution architect position. So before starting the session itself, we discussed if you learn Salesforce, what will be happen. As I said, if you put 8 months of effort, 10 years of career will be there in Salesforce. I said, right. So here, once you complete of 4 years of experience, you can be promoted as a solution architect, or else you can try with your own as a Salesforce architect if you have good understanding of Salesforce and good experience in coding, development, development and admin, overview of the project, everything. Because here you can decide what is the design of the project and where we need to require integration, and you can give the guidance to the admin team and developer team where they need to, where they have lacked, and supervision of the entire project technically, and you can supervise as a customization part and configuration part if you become as a solution architect. So same as the example, uh, as I said, as we discussed, cafeteria management application, if sales data required, what are the things we need to done, solution architect can be decided. So this is the question of Salesforce architect roles and responsibilities. And moving on to next slide.
Okay. Am I audible now, guys? Is my voice is clear?
Yes, Ashok.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, let me just give you some real-time example. I'm getting in the chat says that people asking for some real-time example. Again, the real-time example is, let me share my screen. As I told in the beginning itself, FCA. What is FCA? You can see here. It's a financial regulated firms in UK. In India, we have SEBI, SEBI. So what SEBI do? The SEBI regulate the businesses, what we are doing in India. Pangu Chandai, அப்படின்னு கேள்விப்பட்டிருப்பீங்க இல்லையா? So that's what in India SEBI do. It lists the list of companies and regulate the business. Exactly. In UK, they have FCA. So FCA have a use cases. என்ன use case இருக்கு FCA லனா? I want to, suppose if I'm an investor, I want to invest on any company, or I want to check whether the company is legitimate or not. Somebody in UK, they don't have any option how to check whether the company is a fraudulent company or a good company. So government need to build an application where any companies can come and register themselves with the government, says that we are a proper company and you can do a background verification of us and you can list your company data in the government website. So this is a government website. So assume that you are a company, business, and you want to register with the UK government. You have to go to register. Here you will register your firm. And you can also check whether my company is listed out here or not. So what you are seeing here is a website. It's not just a website. It is a Salesforce developer who created an LWC component or Visualforce page. It is a Salesforce one. What you have developed in Salesforce, that's what you are seeing here. And you are passing two data here. The data is nothing but a company name, and you are also passing firm. The moment you click on search, what is happening? There is a background logic is happening, and this logic pull all the data from the Salesforce and is displaying here. This is a real-time example. People are keep on asking in the chat. So look at this. These are developed. Who developed this? it should be in this color and it should come like this. If it is more than 5 or 10 companies, it should come in a pagination. What you're seeing is a pagination. It's a concept in development. So it should become in black color. It should come in the tiles. All these are designed by an architect who sit with the business, and they are the one designed that this should be like this. They should pull the data from this system. And whenever we are creating that system, it should show all this information. So architect designed that, and they will give the design to the developer. The developer create a code, UI, and also the backend logic. Accordingly, based on the design they received from the architect. So this is another example of how this Salesforce works in real time. Indian airlines like Air India is using Salesforce. Indigo using Salesforce. Recently, Pothys using Salesforce. GRT Jewelers, they are using Salesforce.
And Mahindra.
Mahindra, there are so many. If you are looking for some real-time use cases who are all using Salesforce now, please visit Salesforce website. In that, go to customers or go to products. You will see who are all actually using Salesforce. And you can also find their website, and you can also learn how Salesforce is helping them. Look at this. They're talking about Tata Motors is currently using Salesforce. You want to really understand how in real time Tata Motors, they are using Salesforce. You can read this blog here. They are using Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and that's how it's working. And you can sometimes they also mention the website they are used by using Salesforce. You don't have to wait for us to give all this information. All this information available in Salesforce. Go to Salesforce and go to customer. There you can find out the real-time example of how Salesforce helps the business. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Ram. You may continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashok. Thank you, guys. So now we are moving on to next slide. So another question is like quality analyst. So many people not aware of it. What is a quality analyst position and all? Quality analyst nothing but testing the evaluation of testing particular module in the entire project, because they can create test cases and they can executing the test result, either its outcome is coming positively or negatively. They can test with 360 degrees evaluation. Example, administrator, they can think in their own point of view and they can work, and developer, they can think their business logic and more coding knowledge, everything, they'll think only in developer point of view. But quality analyst, they can test everything with 360 degrees point of view, like customer point of view, like client point of view, and developer point of view. Everything they'll check it. So finally, we can tell like quality analyst role will be like in one day cricket, third umpire will be there. Either it's correct or not, he'll decide. So like that's how quality analyst role will be played in the project. So for this, required expenses, you should have minimum automation tool knowledge, or else 2 to 5 years experience in Salesforce admin. Then you can become as a quality analyst. So if you want to become as a Salesforce quality analyst, you should have minimum admin knowledge. So example also you can see here. QA can test either order is coming from Swiggy sync correctly or not. They can check it whichever Salesforce developer is providing in the org, they can check it in UAT. Once it is everything completed, then they'll move sandbox to production. So this is the quality analyst role. And next one, business stakeholders, nothing but client and users. So they can give feedback in case if they want to see more improvement in the application, they can give the feedback, and they can use the Salesforce on daily basis, like reports and dashboard, etc., etc. So as of now, we discussed everything, roles and responsibilities. Now we'll move on to next slides. There you can see how these roles will work in particular timeline. So if it is just see project life cycle, how it works. So
Hi, Ram. This is Niveta. I have one query regarding the
yeah,
QA analyst. Will you provide any automation knowledge regarding to Salesforce?
so
Because I have,
I'm really
because I
sorry to
have
disturb
an,
you.
yeah.
I'm really sorry to disturb you. For once we'll complete some of this demo, and we'll have Q&A session again. In Q&A session, we'll discuss all these things. Okay.
Okay,
I'm sorry
okay,
to say
Ram.
this. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
Got it.
so here, as we said, there is a customer. There is a client. He want to start the business like cafeteria.
Ram, could you please unmute yourself? Yeah.
Oh, sorry, sorry,
Yeah,
Ashok.
go ahead. Go ahead. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So here, initiation point of view, project manager and BA will work on it. Like what is the requirement gathering and what are the things they need to get it from client. They can decide. And architect and consultant, whichever we discussed, and Ashok also explained. So planning and design, they can take care of it. Development part, again, just now we discussed everything. QA and users, testing and UAT. Admin and project manager, they can all together they'll work on deployment and support to the client. End user obviously uh, client. So these are life cycle of the Salesforce project. So you can see the one more example also here. So if it is captive sales management, we can go with like project manager ensure the timeline delivery. BA can make all the design document. What are the components we have implemented in the project? Admin, what are the roles he is preparing? And then developer, what are the components he has implemented in the project? He'll make it. Solution architect and quality analyst, what are the input they gave? Everything will be into BA. Everything will be documented by BA. So this is the life cycle of Salesforce project. So till here, any doubts, guys? So we'll move on to next slide. This is most important question everyone is asking. That is, will AI replace Salesforce job? So many people having this question. My point of view is it won't be impact on Salesforce jobs because AI will work with Salesforce, not only Salesforce, not only in our project, because someone has to give the input to the AI, then only it will give the end result. But human skills like requirement gathering, solution design, and decision making, AI can't do that. And that too, Salesforce already implemented AI, integrated AI within Salesforce projects. So if you learn Salesforce, AI won't impact your job. So as I said, AI already is there in Salesforce. We are using Einstein Chat GPT and CRM within CRM data. How AI will works, we can see. If you want to get hands-on, you can log in Trailblazer, and there you can go with some trail mixes. You can get hands-on also how AI will work within Salesforce. So that's what from my side. So any doubts till here, guys?
Let's people raise your hand. You can raise your hand and we'll call your name one by one and you can ask your questions till what we have covered. Suppose if you have any questions and related to the topics which we are going to cover in upcoming sessions are part of the agenda, we will say that will be covered in the next session and we'll resume. So till we got next 25 minutes, the next 25 minutes is going to be the Q&A session. Till 11:30 it is going to be the Q&A session. From 11:30 to 11:45 we are going to have a short break. The session is going to be alive. The session is going to be still alive. 11:30 to 11:45, we are all going to have a short break, and from 11:45 we will resume the next set of sessions as well. So yeah, whoever raise your hands, just whoever have a question, please raise your hand, and please ensure the questions are related only to the topics we have covered so far. If it is not related to the topics which we have covered so far, we may ask you to wait till the end of the session. Right. Yes, Santosh. Santosh, you can the people one by one, and we can ask them.
Yeah, Mr. Sai, I think so. Yeah, please, Mr. Sai, you can ask your question.
Sai, I can't hear you.
I'll just post a
Hello,
minute.
are you able to hear me?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, my question is more about the development courses and how it will will it help me to improvise my skill set, because I'm already 8 years experienced in Salesforce leading support projects. So I want to move to a technical roles. So I like a kind of solution architect role. Even the solution architect role, they are asking for more technical skills. So should I ask, will you be able to answer my
Sorry to
question now
interrupt
or
here,
later?
Sai. So the question is about the course, right?
Yes.
That's not
Yes.
related to what we have covered so far. So I
Yes.
request you to stay back,
Okay.
and the team will be guide you and support you related to the course. Definitely.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Let's move on to the next one.
Yeah, next one, Miss Kirtana. Kirtana, you can ask your question, Kirtana.
Hi, hello everyone. So,
Yeah.
thank you. So I know that Salesforce is actually, like completely automated and everything. And recently, I think I've posted the question as well. So the question is like, recently, Mark is actually laid off almost like 2,000 employees in Salesforce, replacing AI. So how does it help, like in future? I know that they have actually laid off almost like the customer support people, but what if maybe in future, how come the developers and admins as well get affected due to AI? Is it possible, or am I wrong here?
Okay, so the question is all about most of the people recently have found Salesforce has announced they have done a mass layoff of close to 5,000, 6,000 job positions. But we have to understand here, what did they do? They didn't lay off just the people, they laid off the job roles. There are repeated work which is being done by the human in the last few decades. Say, for example, assume that there is a business company. Say, for example, the car manufacturing company. They are having close to thousands and thousands of sales representatives who will call the customer and basically they sell the car. Assume that you are the customer. Today you visited our website or you walked into our showroom and you gave all the details and you told that you would like to go for Tata Nexon. And I'm not getting any call back from you for the next 1 week. What I have to do as a sales representative, I will make a call after 10 days and check with you. Sir, other day you visited my premises, I mean our showroom, and you inquired about this Tata Nexon. And may I know, would you be interested for the test drive? Or may I know when you are planning to book this car? Someone has to make a call to the customer and to do the follow-up to ensure whether that particular customer is interested on this particular product or not. Till now, it has been done by the human. They will be calling not only one customer, two customers, they will be having thousands of numbers in their computer. Every single day, they have to make a call and have to check with them and follow with them. In fact, we used to receive a lot of customer calls, sales calls and all, right? But now what happened, the AI, it identified some of the repeated tasks in the sales part, customer part, and get that information from the system. And it also understand which customer we are going to lose, which customer is more likely to get the product. The AI, the Salesforce AI, able to get all this information, which is available from the CRM data in the Salesforce. And now that particular AI started making the call and also started giving the resolutions and started scheduling the e-commerce goods and all. So the so-called customer service department repeated stuff has been taken by AI. We have to accept that. Whatever the repeated tasks they have been done so far, AI is now replaced those jobs. So if you are a sales representative, the AI is not replaced the sales representative. The AI now replaced who were doing only this particular job, who will just call the people and do the follow, call, follow. If you are the person who has the skill only to make a call and to do follow-up, obviously now you don't have job at all. We are not at all going to give you that particular job, just making a call and follow-up. But at the same time, the sales representative who can sit with the customer, understand their requirement, and create a quotation out of it, helping the customer to get the different products, and of course, getting some understanding the complex use cases of them, and able to convince the customer and able to understand the customer needs. That sales representative still has a job. AI cannot replace that human but a human with AI knowledge can replace someone who don't assume that I'm a sales representative, I have the ChatGPT knowledge. That is another sales representative, he don't have the AI knowledge. We both are working for a B2B customers. I'm working for Tamil Nadu government and he's also working for the Tamil Nadu government. I'm a car sales representative. Sorry, I'm a bus sales representative and he's also a bus sales representative. The Tamil Nadu government is asking for the quotation for their buses. I know I have ChatGPT with me and other AIs with me. With the help of ChatGPT and AI, I can study the government and I can also study their proposals and I will create the quotations within a minute. The quote can be created within a minute and I can send it to the transport department. But the person who doesn't know AI, he's still taking 3 to 4 days to create the quotations. And when by the time he give his quotation, I already closed the deal. So both are sales representative, but someone having AI knowledge can done the deal quickly, easily, also put it in a very smarter way. Whereas somebody who doesn't know how to use AI, he's still struggling. Who knows? Eventually, he will lose the job. Maybe I can ask you this question. Maybe 20, 30 years back, 30, 40 years back, நம்ம ஊர்லலாம் இருப்பாங்க கணக்கு பிள்ளை accountant. They used to have a notebook. In that notebook, they put all the debit, credit, tax, all those things. When computer has been introduced and the so-called Excel sheet got introduced, later Tally got introduced, people said, now everything is going to be computer. No more kanakku pillais, no more accountant. Everything will be done by computer itself. We don't need an accountant anymore. They used to say like this. After 30, 40, 50 years, still every organization have an accountant. Every organization have a kanakku pillais. We call them as a finance managers. We call them as a accounting manager. They are still there. They are not getting replaced. But the so-called accountant 30, 40 years back, who were failed to adapt to computers, who were failed to adapt to Excel sheets, who were failed to adapt to Tally, they got replaced by somebody who got adapted to Tally, who learned computers, who learned Excel sheets. So now the so-called machine which is developed by the human is helping the human. Human with computer knowledge replace the human without computer knowledge. Human with Tally knowledge replace the human without Tally knowledge. Exactly the same thing happening now. As long as business is there, CRM as a segment is definitely going to be there because business exists, only customer exists. So if there is no customer, no business. If there is no business, we don't have any jobs. We are all consumers of any one of the business. End of the day, look at this. you are using Google Meet to attend this session. We are using Google Meet to address this session. End of the day, we are all the consumers of Google Meet. Do you think that AI can replace Google Meet? Maybe AI can help Google Meet to do this meeting more effectively. Virtual meetings are definitely going to be there. So nobody can replace the virtual meeting. The virtual meeting, like you just think, Ashok, you just think we are all going to get the notification in our mind. It's not going to happen. Virtual meetings are going to be there. Meetings are going to be there. Who is going to do the meeting? Either Zoom or Google Meet. There are so many people are giving this option. Which company adapting AI and also giving best? Look at this. Even in this Google Meet, now we are using AI. Whatever we are discussing, it's created transcript, and that also give us the minutes of meeting. So Google adapted to AI and make this meeting more effective. Suppose if I'm using Google Meet and I don't know how to use AI, I don't know how to use the transcript, I don't know how to create minutes of meeting out of this, I'm going to fail to the person who knows how to use the AI. So the question is, if we are all having the fear of AI, not only Salesforce, wherever you go, you cannot come out from this mindset. Aha, now I am become a Java developer. Will AI replace me? Now I am become a salesman. Will AI replace me? Now I am doing this job. Will AI replace me? I'm a cook. Will AI replace me? That is a recently they have introduced AI cook. It get all the ingredients. You just give all the ingredients. It will create dosa for you. It will create chutney for you. It create sambar for you. Now look at that. Will all the maid and cook will say, my job is over. If AI comes in, I don't have cook. I don't have to cook. A cook with AI knowledge can cook more effectively. Even if the AI says that, hey, just pour 2 ml of water, this ml of grams, this ml of dal, just click that button. I will create a good biryani for you. Still what we do, we deploy a cook who will do this job. On the other side, we will still scroll and watch some random videos. Why should I go there and put all this thing? Let me hire a cook and give him this mission. Let her do it. This is how washing machine is being introduced. Look at that. How many of us, we are the one going to use the washing machine? Our mates are using the washing machine. Previously, they were mates who used to do these washing works, clothing works and all. Now what they are doing? Our maid come home, they take the clothes, put it in the washing machine and take that and they dry the clothes. Now the maids are getting smarter and we are also paying them. We are not paying them to wash the clothes. So is definitely going to be there. AI is definitely going to replace all the jobs. The jobs I'm talking about, the random odd job, repeated job, boring job. AI is definitely going to do that. Sometimes AI can be more smarter, can do some of the smart work. Yes, definitely it is going to be. It is going to be like one another agent going to work along with us, a subordinate for you, an apprentice for you. It cannot be a master. If it become a master, then that is a disaster. Okay. So don't worry about this so-called AI terms. As long as business is going to be there, as long as customer is going to be there, the need for IT guys is definitely going to be there. The IT guys are definitely need to make sure the business are reducing their time. Let me ask you this question, put it in the chat. How many of you know F1 race? F1. F1 race. Tata Ajit recently they are done. F1 race. Movie padringa. Every lap, when the driver drive the car in the F1 race, for every lap or every after 10 lap or 5 lap, what they have to do, they go to the shed. Once they get into the shed, they will change their tires. They will add more fuel in this. 10 years back, maybe if I'm not wrong, they are taking 30 seconds, 30 seconds to change the tires and also to inject the fuels. After 5 years, they reduced that to 20 seconds. Now they are taking 11 seconds just to change the tires and fill the fuel. So if you say the scientific advancement, whether it is replace the F1 race itself, Abhina, no, F1 race is still there. It is going to be there. But how did they conduct F1 race decades back and how they are conducting now with the help of the so-called technology is completely different. AI cannot replace F1 race, but AI can help us to done the job quicker, smarter as possible. We must have this clarity in our mind how AI is going to be. எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஏஐனா அப்புறம் இங்க human will never exist. எல்லாத்துக்கும் AI வந்துரும். All right. Thank you. I hope this clears most of the people's questions, especially why you are all here joined for this particular session. Got it? Let's move on to the next question, Santosh.
Yeah. So next is Mr. Vishwesh, I think. Vishwesh,
Yeah,
ask your question. Vishwesh.
yeah, sure. Actually, I have worked around 4.5 years in the QA testing field in the automation part, and after that, actually, I took 2 years break to prepare for some civil service exam. And actually, I want to rejoin as a Salesforce developer here. So my question is like, should I go for the this BA field, Salesforce BA field? I mean, is it a good thing to go because I am from the QA field, or should I go for the Salesforce developer part?
Yeah, Vishwesh, may I know your education background first?
Education background?
BTech, right?
No, actually, I did my MSc in computer science, and then I did a CDAC.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to become a Salesforce developer, coding knowledge will be required. But for you, BA also preferable. But for BA role, you should have admin knowledge effectively. But to be frank, in the market, if developers roles are available for 100, BA or QA will be 5 to 10. So count will be less. If you want to put effort for 3 to 4 months, then you can learn development and you can join as a developer also.
Okay, I see. So, I mean, going for a developer will be a better choice, you can say.
Yeah, sure. But as we discussed just now, upskilling will be always having career path. So if once currently earlier there was only Apex classes triggers. Now development part ARA is there. Now ARA is not ARA we are not using it, and LABC components came inside. So every time development part upskilling should be happen. So if you join as a developer now, going forward, if any new technology, not new technology, I'm saying new modules. Whenever new module is coming, you should upskill within the Salesforce itself. Then only you'll be having a career path. But developer always is a like gem. Everywhere you'll be having job if you learn development.
Okay, and for the Salesforce consultant, you need to have a development knowledge, right?
I'm sorry?
For the Salesforce consultant role, you need to have the Salesforce development
Consultant,
knowledge.
I compare with BA, consultant will be little tough because he should have coding knowledge and he should understand business overview.
Right.
Because example, client will give a limited budget to you, and within the limited budget you need to create. But for his requirement, if you want to go with any integration part, that will be huge cost, which is not related to the client budget. So that times architect has to take the decision. So if you don't know the development part, I mean, good understanding level of coding and understanding level of business, you can't be a solution architect.
Right. Yes, right. And just another question is, are we covering the agent force part in the upcoming part of the session?
Upcoming part of session, we are planning to do that. But currently, last week, I mean, July end, we had done 4 days workshop for AI. So going forward, we are planning to do that.
Okay. Okay, sure. Thanks.
Thank you, Yashish. Thank you, Ram. Yeah, Yamuna, you can ask Yamuna. You can ask your question, Yamuna.
Yes, hello. Good morning,
Yes,
everyone.
Simna. Yeah, good
My
morning,
question
Yamuna.
is that will you introduce a Salesforce testing training?
That's what I have seen your question. Will you introduce Salesforce QA training?
Yes.
Currently, we are not introducing any QA training, but last month we had one demo with real-time QA, Mr. Sudhakar. So that for that demo we got good applause. So upcoming months we are planning to do that. But Salesforce QA also they should have first admin knowledge. Then only they can learn other automation tools and all.
Yes, I am a Salesforce admin. So I'm planning to move to Salesforce QA because I'm not so
Then
good at coding, so I'm planning to move to QA.
then you can try as a Salesforce QA also. But better after completion of this session, just coordinate with Santosh. Will guide you what are the automation tools you need to learn. But from our side, currently we have not designed any training program for QA, but we are under planning for QA and BA role as well. And recently, one of our training got placed as a QA. She joined as a developer. She joined to learn as a development role, and she gave the interview also for developer role only. But the way she has explained her hands-on experience in project work, they offered her as a quality analyst. So recruiters also they're looking for business overview how they're understanding.
Mm-hmm.
So automation tools and all it will be differ based on the company, based on the project. Different tools will be there for automation. I mean testing the modules and all. There is no particular tool to evaluate the Salesforce components and all. It will be differ again, but you can choose a quality analyst role.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ram. The next is Mr. Justin. You can ask your question, Justin.
Sir, can I speak Tamil?
Yeah,
Go ahead, Justin.
என்னோட கொஸ்டின்
Yeah,
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
சொல்லுங்க
வந்து
Justin.
சேல்ஸ்ஃபோர்ஸ் ஆக்சுவலா ஒரு ஐடி கம்பெனில என்ன வேலை பார்க்கும், லைக் அது எப்படி யூஸ் ஆகுது, எப்படி அவங்களுக்கு சப்போர்ட்டிவா இருக்கு. செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின் வந்து சேல்ஸ்ஃபோர்ஸ் ரியல் டைம் ஒரு வெப்சைட் இருக்குன்னா அது கூட கம்பைன் பண்ண முடியுமா, கம்பைன் பண்ணா அது எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகுது, இல்லைன்னா சேல்ஸ்ஃபோர்ஸ் தனியாக ஒரு வெப்சைட் அதுக்குன்னு வச்சு கிரியேட் பண்ண முடியுமா, அந்த மாதிரியா. அதுக்கு அதோட இருக்கு. அவ்வளோதான் சார். மெயினா Salesforce எப்படி
one by one will come, Justin.
Okay, sorry to interrupt
First
you
one.
here. Sorry to interrupt here now. Justin, நீங்க செஷன் ஆரம்பத்துல இருந்து இருக்கீங்க கரெக்டா?
எஸ் சார்.
நான் ஒரு 2 வாட்டி நீங்க கேட்ட கேள்விக்கு தான் நான் பதில் சொன்னேன். எதுன்னு சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம்.
லைக் அது எப்படி அது ரியல் டைம் அது கம்பைன் ஆகுதா அது கேட்டேன். அதுக்கு நீங்க எஸ் அப்படி சொன்னீங்க. பட்
இல்ல நான் ஒரு ரெண்டு கம்பெனி வெப்சைட் ஓபன் பண்ணி காமிச்சு இது Salesforceல தான் டெவலப் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, இப்படிதான் Salesforce ஒர்க் ஆகுது, Salesforceம் அந்த வெப்சைட்டும் எப்படி கம்பைன் ஆயிருக்குங்கிறத நான் தான் டெமோ காமிச்சேன் 2 வாட்டி. கவனிச்சிங்களான்னு கேட்டேன்.
சார் கவனிச்சேன். பட் ஓகே, ஆக்சுவலா மெயின் திங் என்ன அப்படின்னாக்க ஒரு ஐடி ஃபீல்ட்ல ஒரு ஆக்சுவலா டீமா இருப்பாங்களே, லைக் டெவலப்பர்ஸ்லாம் அதிகம் இருப்பாங்களே. ஸோ நான் வந்து நான் ஆக்சுவலா பிசிஏ படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன், 3rd இயர். எங்க சார்ட்ட கேட்டப்ப அவங்க எப்படி சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னாக்க ஒரு ஐடி டீம் உள்ள சேல்ஸ் பர்சன் ஒருத்தவங்க இருப்பாங்க, ஒரு டெவலப்பர் இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ அவங்க வந்து சப்போர்ட்டிவா இருப்பாங்க, எல்லா டெவலப்பர்ஸும் ஆட்டோமேட் பண்ண யூஸ் ஆவாங்க. ஸோ அப்படிதான் எனக்கு வரைக்கும் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. பட் எனக்கு அதை பத்தி கிளியரான ஒரு வியூ கிடைக்கல. ஓகே, இன்னைக்கு நான் வந்தேன், பட் நீங்க சொன்னது எனக்கு புரிஞ்சுது ஒரு எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகுது என்ன. ஓகே, பட் என் டவுட் ஐடில அது எப்படி சப்போர்ட்டிவா இருக்காங்க.
ரைட், நீங்க வந்து ரொம்ப பேசிக் லெவல்ல இருக்கீங்க. இப்ப இந்த மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு நீங்க அந்த வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்ல இருக்கீங்களா? நம்மளுடைய Salesforce September 6ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப் சேனல் கிரியேட் பண்ணாங்களே, அதுல இருக்கீங்களா?
இல்ல சார், அது இல்ல.
அப்படி இந்த லிங்க் உங்களுக்கு எப்படி கிடைச்சது? இந்த மீட்டிங் லிங்க் ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா, எப்படி கிடைச்சது?
எனக்கு ஆக்சுவலா தனியா ஒரு வாட்ஸ்அப்ல இண்டிவிஜுவலா மெசேஜ் பண்ணாங்க.
ஓகே, சரி, ஒண்ணு பண்ணுங்க. உங்களுக்கு சந்துரு அந்த வாட்ஸ்அப் சேனல் லிங்க் இதுல போட முடியுமான்னு பாருங்க, நம்மளுடைய வாட்ஸ்அப் சேனல் லிங்க். ஏன்னா லாஸ்ட் ஒரு 2 வாரமா நம்ம இந்த செஷனை பத்தி எல்லாருக்கும் சொல்லி கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கோம். அந்த செஷன் அதை வந்து ஒரு வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்ல வச்சுதான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம்னா இந்த மாதிரி செஷன் எடுக்க போறோம்னு சொல்லிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். அந்த வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்ல முக்கியமா நம்ம எதை மென்ஷன் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருந்தோம்னா, ஐடினா என்ன, ஐடில யாரெல்லாம் வேலை செய்வாங்க, அவங்க என்ன மாதிரி வேலை செய்வாங்க, அடுத்தது சிஆர்எம்னா என்ன, அதுக்கப்புறம் பிசினஸ்னா என்ன, ஒரு பிசினஸ்க்கு ஐடி எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகுது. இப்ப நீங்க கேக்குறீங்க இல்லையா, உங்களோட கேள்வி வந்து ரொம்ப பேசிக்கான கேள்வி, நியாயமான கேள்வியும் கூட. இத நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, அவங்க சந்துருன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இப்ப வாட்ஸ்அப்ல ஐ மீன் சாட்ல கூகுள் மீட்ல வந்து ஒரு வாட்ஸ்அப் லிங்க் அனுப்பியிருக்காங்க பாருங்க, உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதுங்களா?
ஓகே சார்.
உங்களுக்கு சாட்ல போட்டிருக்காங்க பாருங்க. இப்ப அதுல வந்து இங்கிலீஷ் தமிழ்ல வீடியோ லிஸ்ட் அனுப்பியிருக்காங்க பாருங்க. என் ஸ்கிரீனும் ஷேர் பண்ற பாருங்க. நீங்க கேட்கக்கூடிய இது எல்லாமே ஒரு 12 வீடியோவா தமிழ்லயே என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்னா நம்ம கிரியேட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். நீங்க கேட்கற எல்லாமே இங்க இருக்கு. ஏன்னா எங்களுக்கு புரியுது, நீங்க வந்து இப்பதான் காலேஜ் படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கீங்க. உங்களுக்கு வந்து பிசினஸ் பத்தியோ ஐடி பத்தியோ, ஐடி கம்பெனி எப்படி இயங்கும், டெவலப்பர் யாரு, அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கிறது பெருசா கிளாரிட்டி இருக்காது. உங்களுக்காகவே தான் என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்னா இந்த பிளேலிஸ்ட் கிரியேட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். நம்மளோட ஏஜே ஸ்கில் டெவலப்மெண்ட் வெப்சைட் சரி யூடியூப் சேனல் போனீங்கன்னா அதுல பிளேலிஸ்ட் போனீங்கன்னா இந்த பிளேலிஸ்ட் இருக்கும். இங்க இருக்குப்பாங்க Salesforce கெரியர் கைடன்ஸ் ப்ரீ ரெக்வசைட்னு ஒன்று இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா? இதுல இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த வீடியோ நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா நீங்க கேட்ட 3 கேள்விக்குமே பதில் அதுல இருக்கும். இதை வந்து நான் இப்ப செஷன்ல எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணேன்னு வச்சுங்களேன், உங்களால புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியாது. ஏன்னா அது வந்து ரொம்ப பேசிக். அதை வந்து தெளிவா ஒரு யூஸ் கேஸ்லாம் வச்சு சொல்லி கொடுத்தாதான் உங்களுக்கு புரியும். நான் உங்களுக்கு என்ன ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணுவேன்னா, இந்த வீடியோஸ் எல்லாம் பாருங்க. இந்த வீடியோஸை பார்த்தும் உங்களுக்கு வந்து புரியல அப்படிங்கிற பட்சத்துல நம்ம டீமோட நம்பர் இப்ப சாட்ல போடுவாங்க, வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர். அந்த வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர் நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா கூப்பிட்டு ட்ரையல் கிளாஸ் மாதிரி அட்டென்ட் பண்ணுங்க. அப்படி ட்ரையல் கிளாஸ் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணும்போது ட்ரைனர்ஸும் இருப்பாங்க, உங்களுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல கிளாரிட்டி கிடைக்கும். எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு இந்த வீடியோவே போதுமானது. ஒஸ்ட் கேஸ் வீடியோ பார்த்தும் புரியலங்கிற பட்சத்துல ட்ரையல் கிளாஸ் எடுத்து, சரிங்களா?
ஓகே ஓகே.
நீங்க கேட்ட 3 கேள்விக்கான பதிலுமே இதுல இருக்கு.
ஓகே சார். ஆல்சோ இப்போ வந்து எனக்கு ஆக்சுவலா கரண்ட்ல நான் முதல்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு ஸ்கீம் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. அதுல வந்து ஆக்சுவலா Salesforce எடுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஸோ அதுல வந்து லைக் டெவலப்பர் இது இருக்கு. ஸோ கரண்ட்ல இப்போ எனக்கு நான் முதல்ல போயிட்டு இருக்கு. இப்போதைக்கு சேல்ஸ்ல ஒரு சின்ன ப்ராஜெக்ட் மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. எனக்கு வந்து லெஃப்ட் ஓவர் ஃபுட் சம்திங் அந்த மாதிரி டாபிக் கொடுத்து ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அதில் வந்து எல்லாமே மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. லைக் டாக்குமெண்டேஷன் எல்லாமே சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. பட் இருந்தாலும் எனக்கு ஸ்டில் அது எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகுது, ஒரு ஐடியில் எப்படி ஒர்க் அந்த டவுட்ல இருக்கேன். ஸோ செகண்டு, இப்போ நான் அதை முடிக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னாக்கா எனக்கு ஜாப்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கும், லைக் இப்போ காலேஜ் முடிச்சுட்டு உடனே இதில் ஜாப் எப்படி கிடைக்கும், ஃப்ரெஷருக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும், அதெல்லாம் அது மாதிரி சில டவுட்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதெல்லாம் பேசிக் டவுட்ஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்குது. ரொம்ப ஒரு மாதிரி கன்ஃபியூஸாக இருக்குது என்ன பண்ணலாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஸோ அதான்.
சூப்பருங்க. நீங்க கேட்கக்கூடிய இப்போ ஒரு ஃப்ரெஷர்னா Salesforce படிச்சா எனக்கு வேலை கிடைக்குமா, எங்க வேலை கிடைக்கும் அப்படிங்கிற கேள்விக்கு நம்மளோட கெரியர் கவுன்சிலர்ஸ் டீம் இருக்காங்க. அடுத்தடுத்த செஷன்ஸும் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க, அதுல உங்களுக்கு கைட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அதனால செஷன் எண்டு வரைக்கும் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க, இந்த கேள்விக்கான பதில் உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சிடும். நீங்க சொல்லக்கூடிய நான் முதல்வன்ல வந்து என்ன பண்ண மாட்டாங்கன்னா ரொம்ப டெப்தா சொல்லி தர மாட்டாங்க. ஏன்னா அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு 40 நாள் 60 நாளுக்குள்ளே எல்லாத்தையுமே சொல்லி கொடுக்கணுங்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு கட்டாயம் இருக்கும். பட் டு பி ஹானர் 30 நாள் 40 நாள்ல Salesforce படிக்கவே முடியாது. ஒரு என்டர்பிரைஸ்க்கு போயிட்டு நீங்க ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ற அளவுக்கு பண்ணணும்னா குறைந்தது ஒருத்தருக்கு ஒரு ஃப்ரெஷருக்கு 6 மாசம் தான் ஆகும். டெய்லி நீங்க எப்படி ஒரு செமஸ்டர் படிக்கிறீங்க, டெய்லி காலையில போயிட்டு ஈவினிங் வரைக்கும் இருந்துட்டு படிக்கிறீங்க இல்லையா? அப்படி இருக்கும்போது ஒரு நாளைக்கு நீங்க 8 மணி நேரம் செலவு பண்ணினா கூட 6 மாசம் கண்டிப்பா ஆகும். ஒரு ஃப்ரெஷருக்கு Salesforce பத்தி முழுமையா தெரிஞ்சு ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட்ல போயிட்டு உட்காந்து நீங்க தனிச்சு ப்ராஜெக்ட் செய்யற அளவுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்கில் வேணும்னா இவ்வளவு நாள் கண்டிப்பா ஆகும். நீங்க சொல்லக்கூடிய ஸ்கீம்ல வரவங்க வந்து என்ன பண்ண மாட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா இவ்வளோ டெப்தா சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க. ரீசன் என்னன்னா அவங்களுக்கு அவ்வளவுதான் டைம் இருக்கும். இன்ஃபேக்ட் ஏஜே ஸ்கில் டெவலப்மெண்ட்லாம் கூட தமிழ்நாடு கவர்மெண்ட்ல நான் முதல்வன்ல என்ன கேட்டாங்கன்னா செஷனா எடுக்க சொன்னாங்க. பட் அவங்க கொடுத்த டைம் லைன் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப ரொம்ப கம்மி. 60 நாள் எல்லாத்தையும் முடிங்க அப்படின்லாம் சொன்னாங்க. 60 நாள் முடிக்கவே முடியாது. அப்படி முடிக்கணும்னா பேருக்கு வேணா கிளாஸ் எடுத்து போலாமே தவிர உண்மையா ஆத்மாத்மா ஒருத்தவங்களுக்கு சொல்லி தரணும் அப்படின்னா 6 மாசம் கண்டிப்பா ஆகும். ஒரு ஃப்ரெஷருக்கு நான் சொல்றேன், ஃப்ரெஷர் வித் பேசிக் கம்ப்யூட்டர் நாலேஜுக்கு கண்டிப்பா என்ன ஆகுது, 6 மாசம் ஆகுது. ஸோ நீங்க கேட்ட 2வது கேள்விக்கான பதில் நம்மளோட கெரியர் கவுன்சிலர்ஸ் கவர் பண்ணுவாங்க at the end of the session. So please stay back and wait. Don't worry if you have questions in Tamil. This is for everyone. You are welcome to ask your questions in Tamil, and we'll also help you in Tamil. And you can also ask your questions in English, and we'll also guide you on English.
So sorry இடையில அப்படி மெசேஜ் பண்ணுங்க, எதிர்பார்க்கல அந்த மாதிரி ஆகும்னு. ஸோ
பரவாயில்லப்பா, இட் இஸ் ஓகே. சரி, எனக்கு ஆக்சுவலா இன்ஃபேக்ட் பெருமையா தான் இருந்துச்சு. யூ டுக் அ ஸ்டெப். எதுக்கு இப்படி ஒரு செஷன் நடக்குது, இந்த செஷனுக்கு போகலாம், அங்க யாராவது இருப்பாங்க, அவங்கள்ட்ட கேள்வி கேட்கலாம். இப்போ உள்ள ஜென்ரேஷன்ஸ் கிட்ட இது ரெண்டுமே இல்ல ஜஸ்டின். டு பி ஹானஸ்ட் நான் சொல்றேன். நம்மளுக்கு இப்படி ஒரு நீங்க எப்படி ஜாயின் பண்ணீங்க? ஒரு வாட்ஸ்அப்ல ஒரு மெசேஜ் வந்துச்சு, அதை பார்த்தா ஜாயின் பண்ணுன்னு சொல்றீங்க. இங்க நிறைய பேருக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் மெசேஜஸ் எல்லாம் போகுது. எல்லாரும் ஜாயின் பண்ணல. சனிக்கிழமை ஆனா இன்னைக்கு ஒரு படம் வேற வந்திருக்கு, படத்தை பார்ப்போமா இந்த செஷனை பார்ப்போமான்னு சொல்லிட்டு 2.5 மணி நேரம் இவனுங்க என்ன செஷன் நடத்துறாங்க, நம்ம போய் படத்தை பார்ப்போம்டான்னு சுத்திட்டு தான் ஒரு கும்பல் சுத்துது. அந்த கும்பலுக்கு நடுவுல கெரியருக்காக நீங்க வந்து சேட் பண்றீங்க, நல்ல தைரியமா இருந்து கேள்வி கேட்கறீங்க. இந்த ஆட்டிடியூட கடைசி வரைக்கும் வச்சுக்குங்க. ஓகே, ஏன்னா திஸ் இஸ் அ வெரி வெரி இப்ப இருக்கக்கூடிய பசங்கள்ட்ட இந்த ஆட்டிடியூட் சுத்தமாவே கிடையாது. அப்படி ஒரு ஆட்டிடியூடோட பசங்க இருக்காங்கன்னா, அந்த லேர்னிங் ஆட்டிடியூட இருக்காங்கன்னா, அவங்க டாப்பான பொசிஷனுக்கு கண்டிப்பா போயிடுவாங்க. உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் காம்படிஷனே கிடையாது. ஸோ அதனால கீப் திஸ் ஆட்டிடியூட் அலைவ், ஸ்டே பேக் டில் திஸ் எண்ட் ஆஃப் திஸ் செஷன். அண்ட் இன்னும் நிறைய பேசலாம். பிரேக் போயிட்டு வந்துருங்க. இன்னும் ஒரு 7-8 மினிட்ஸ்க்கு செஷன் எடுக்க மாட்டாங்க.
ஓகே,
தேங்க்யூ. ஓகே, வேற யாரு? பிரகாஷ் ப்ரோ, அடுத்து யாருன்னு பாருங்க பாப்போம்.
Gaushi Ram, can you please ask your query?
Hi Ashok, எனக்கு என்ன டவுட்னா, இப்போ வந்து டெவலப்பர் ரோல் போய் நம்ம ஃப்ரெஷரா இருக்கேன். நான் வந்து பேசிக் Salesforce அட்மின் கோர்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இப்போ வந்து நீங்க செஷன்ல சொன்னீங்க பிசினஸ் அனாலிஸ்ட்க்கும் இப்போ ஃப்ரெஷர்ஸ்க்கு எடுக்கிறாங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஸோ இப்போ டெவலப்பருக்கு படிச்சு நம்ம ஜாப் வந்து சீக்கிரம் போலாமா, இல்ல பிசினஸ் அனாலிஸ்ட் போலாமா?
சரி, கேள்வி நல்ல கேள்வி. நான் உங்கள்ட்ட கேட்க வேண்டிய கேள்வி என்னன்னா, உங்களுக்கு சீக்கிரம் வேலைக்கு போகணுமா இல்ல நல்ல வேலைக்கு போகணுமா?
எனக்கு கோடிங்லாம் அவ்வளவு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இல்லை. ஸோ ஐ எம் பிட் ஆஃப், அதனாலதான் நான் இந்த கேள்வி கேட்டேன். எனக்கு வந்து பிசினஸ் போகணும்னா ஒரு இது, ஏன்னா பிசினஸ் கொஞ்சம் நான் பார்த்தேன். ஐ டன் சம் ட்ரையல் மிக்சிங். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ட்ரையல் அதில் பேசிக் ட்ரையல் முடிச்சிருக்கேன். ஸோ அதனாலதான் நான். சரிங்க.
சரி, பொதுவா சேல்ஸ்ஃபோர்ஸை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது எப்படின்னா, இப்ப நம்ம வீட்டுல எல்லாம் ஏசி எல்லாம் வச்சிருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா, இப்ப இந்த ஏசியை வாங்குறோம், கடையில இருந்து வாங்கிட்டு வந்துட்டோம் நம்ம, அதுதான் நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும். பட் வி டோன்ட் நோ ஹவு டு கான்ஃபிகர் த ஏசி ஆர் கஸ்டமைஸ் ஏசியை எப்படி ஃபிட் பண்ணணும் போனா நம்மளுக்கு தெரியாது. நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், ஒரு டெக்னீஷியனை அழைச்சிட்டு வந்துட்டு பண்ணித்தாங்கன்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? அதே டெக்னீஷியன் வந்து என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னா, they also have a good idea about how AC works, what level you should keep the room temperature. If it is ஒரு 200 or 2000 square feet space na, how much AC you should use, 1 ton 1.5 ton. So look at that. So being a technician, they know everything. They are doing consulting, they are giving us a requirement, அவங்க எல்லாமே பண்றாங்க. ஸோ ஒரு ஏசியை பத்தி எல்லாமே முழுமையா தெரிஞ்ச ஒரு நபருக்கு இன்னுமே வேலை நிறைய இடத்துல கிடைக்கும். இப்ப சேல்ஸ்ஃபோர்ஸ்க்கும் ஏசிக்கும் பெரிய டிஃபரன்ஸ் கிடையாது. சேல்ஸ்ஃபோர்ஸ்ங்கிறது ஒரு டூல், ஏசி எப்படி ஒரு டூலோ லைக் தட் சேல்ஸ்ஃபோர்ஸ் ஆல்சோ ஒன் அதர் டூல். If you know in and out about that particular tool, the chances of you are getting job in different role is going to be really high. Avladam. Either you can call it as admin, developer, BA, consultant, project manager, QA. End of the day, they are all going to do work on that particular product called Salesforce. So up to you, how much knowledge you possess on the Salesforce, you can. என்ன எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா, I can do a QA role, I can do a project manager role, I can do a BA role, I can do a consultant role, I can also do a developer role. எங்க வேலை கிடைக்குதோ நான் போயிட்டே இருப்பேன். I will not confine myself only admin, only developer. Maybe நீங்க எனக்கு கோடிங் வராதுன்னு நீங்க சொல்றீங்க, சரி பரவாயில்ல இருந்துட்டு போகுது. பட் உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியணும்னா, எதெல்லாம் கோடிங்ல பண்ண முடியும், எதெல்லாம் கோடிங்ல பண்ண முடியாதுங்கிற கிளாரிட்டி உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். Tomorrow you are becoming a business analyst, you are sitting in a client call and the client is asking you this question, in a Gaushi, can we deploy this in next 2 to 3 days, whether is that feasible? Call le கேக்குறாங்க. உங்களால feasibility call le சொல்ல முடியும். Otherwise நீங்க சொல்லலாம், இல்ல what you have requested for us is something not straightforward in Salesforce. It is not available in Salesforce out of box feature. We have to go for the customization. நான் இங்க கோடிங் பண்ணியே ஆகணும். To do this, I may require another 10 days of my time. அப்படின்னு உங்களுக்கு சொல்ல தெரியணும். பட் உங்களுக்கு நீங்க எப்படி சொல்லுவீங்க? இத கால்ல டெவலப்மெண்ட்னு ஒண்ணு என்ன இருக்கு? What is Apex? What is Trigger? What is LWC? Unless or until you don't have any idea about development, you cannot become a business analyst, consultant, project manager. எதுவும் ஆக முடியாது. You must have an idea of what is development, what is possible in the development, what is not possible in the development. இது கண்டிப்பா உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். அப்ப என்ன தெரியும்? நம்ம we should learn development. You should not you don't need to practice all the script 10 times 20 times, but you should practice the script at least one time. I will say ஒரு தடவையாவது ட்ரிகர்னா காப்பி என்ன சொல்றது, இந்த நம்ம ஸ்கூல்ல அசைன்மெண்ட்ல கொடுப்பாங்க, நிறைய போர்ட்ல உள்ளதை பார்த்து எழுதுங்கடா. அது மாதிரி பார்த்தாது நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்னா ஒரு வாட்டியா ட்ரிகர் எழுதி பார்க்கணும். Chat GPT கொடுத்தாவது நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், ஒரு தடவையாவது you should develop the LWC component. Only then you have a clarity about, okay, these are all available in the development. We can do this or we cannot do this. If we go for development, this may take this much time. So somebody who have this holistic knowledge, எல்லாத்தின பத்தின knowledge உள்ளவங்களால என்ன பண்ண முடியும்னா, within the Salesforce ecosystem, you can travel anywhere. இப்ப எங்களுக்கு பாருங்களேன், எதுவுமே வேணாம், ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு பிகம் அ ப்ராஜெக்ட், எங்களுக்கு ப்ராஜெக்டே வேணாங்க, ஐ குவிட் ப்ராஜெக்ட் இன் 2021 குவிட் பண்ணிட்டேன். இப்ப என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்? We are still in the Salesforce ecosystem. We are doing Salesforce training, not only for people like you. We are also giving training for Wilcoxos, Tech Mahindra, SRM, Infotech. Very companies, we are giving a Salesforce training, and we are giving Salesforce consulting to the firm. Coding na panni romba naal aachu. I'm a senior Salesforce developer. It's been close to 2 to 3 years since I coding la perusa project ku pannade kedaiyadhu. But still I'm being in this ecosystem. I'm getting well paid. Adu romba mukkiyam illa. How we are able to do that? We know what is going on in this ecosystem. Innike agent force nu vandirukna, we know what is agent force, how agent force works, where you can deploy, where you cannot deploy. So end of the day, mindset தாங்க. If you are going to confine yourself, says that நான் இதை மட்டும்தான் தெரிஞ்சுப்பேன், I don't want to do all the stuff, அப்படிங்கும் போது you are actually shrink your opportunities. I'm not asking you to be expert in everything. I don't want to ask you to expert in trigger, expert in LWC, expert in QA. You choose any one role and be the expert. If you say I want to become a BA analyst, communication is your key. You should have a good English communication. You should know good documentations. You should know how to use AI to help the documentation. That is the expertise. But at the same time, you should have the wider perspective of what is going on in this ecosystem. அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப அவசியம். அந்த மாதிரி ஸ்பேஸ்ல வரும்போது what I strongly recommend the people learn admin, learn development. Being expertise in development is up to you. If you say I love coding, I want to become the good developer, architect, அப்படின்னா practice that. If there is a class, Apex class இருக்குன்னா, you want to be expert in development, I will say practice that Apex class, same Apex class with different scenarios for 10 times. நாங்க கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கோம் boot campல, ஒரே மாதிரியான situationsக்கு 10 different patterns we are giving them and we are asking them to practice. But if somebody say I just want to become a business analyst, now we are giving only one example. இது மட்டும் பாரு போதும். அப்படிதான் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. கிரிக்கெட் பாப்பீங்களா கௌஷி? you see cricket?
நான் அப்பப்ப பாப்பேன்.
அப்பப்ப பாப்பீங்களா? பும்ரா பேட் பிடிச்சு பாத்திருக்கீங்களா?
இல்ல.
இல்லையா?
கிடையாது, சாரி.
No problem. See, Bumrah is a bowler. He's expert in the death overs. He is expert in Yorker. That is his specialty. But the same Bumrah practice batting as well. நெட்ஸ்ல போனீங்கன்னா பும்ரா நெட்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணுவாரு, பேட்டிங்கும் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிருப்பாரு. ரீசன் என்னன்னா, he don't want to become Virat Kohli, but he is also part of the 11 members team. He must know if situation comes, நம்மள இறக்கி விட்டுட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா அடிப்படாமாவது இருக்கணும்ல உங்களுக்கு. being a bowler for him, hand leg எல்லாம் ரொம்ப சேஃப்டி ரொம்ப முக்கியம். So he should know how to face the ball. He should know how to tackle the situation. If situation persists or அவருக்கு டைம் கிடைச்சதுன்னா அவர் என்ன பண்ணுவாரு, அடிச்சு ஜெயிச்சு கொடுப்பாரு. பட் அவர் மேல டிபெண்டன்சி வைக்க முடியாது. The company who is going to hire you know that really very well that you are not a coder. Being a business analyst, you are not a coder. But nowadays they are expecting you should know what is coding, what is there, whether it is feasible or not. அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி எதிர்பார்ப்பாங்க. அதனால having the knowledge about everything is good and having a depth knowledge at one particular thing is too good. So அந்த மாதிரி இதை அணுகுங்க. The opportunities are definitely be there. Whether it is BA, QA, development, no matter. But in India, I have to tell the stats. In India, 10 developer positions are there, 10 people apply. But if one admin positions are there, 1,000 people apply for an admin position. If one BA position are there, 500 people are applying for the BA position. It doesn't mean BA க்கு இங்க வேலையே இல்ல, admin க்கு வேலையே இல்லைன்னுலாம் கிடையாது. The opportunities are there for admin, development, BA, architect and all. But with whom you are going to compete matters. Whether you are going to compete with only 10 people, whether you are going to compete with 1,000 people or 500 people, you are the one going to decide. Is that clear? I hope that answers your question, Kaushik.
சாரி டு இன்டரப்ட் அசோக். கௌஷிக், அசோக் இவ்வளோ தூரம் கிளியராக எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாங்க. நான் வந்து ஒரு ரியல் டைம் சினாரியோட உங்களுக்கு வந்து சொல்லணும் நான் விருப்பப்படுறேன். ஜஸ்ட் நாட் ஒன்லி ஃபார் கௌஷிக். இதில் யாரெல்லாம் வந்து இப்போ நான் ஐடிலேருந்து வரீங்க, நான் ஒரு காலேஜ் முடிச்சுட்டு வரேன், நான் ஃப்ரெஷராக இருக்கேன், ஸோ எனக்கு கோடிங் ஈவன் நான் காலேஜ்லேருந்து கூட டச் பண்ணதில்லை, எனக்கு ஒரு ஃபியர்னஸ் இருக்குது, நம்ம ட்ரை பண்ணாமல் அதை நம்ம சொல்ல முடியாது. ஸோ அதை நம்ம ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்த்து வரலங்கிறது டிஃப்ரெண்ட் திங். பட் அசோக் சொன்னார் இல்லையா, இப்போ ஜாப் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிக்கு மற்ற இதை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது ஒரு டெவலப்பருக்கு எவ்வளவு வந்து ஜாப் ஓப்பனிங் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு. ஸோ நான் ஒரு ரியல் டைம் சினாரியோட எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன் வித் 3 கேண்டிடேட்ஸ். அவங்க எனக்கு பர்சனலாவே தெரியும். ஸோ லைக் அந்த கேண்டோட ப்ரொஃபைலோட எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணா, இங்க நீங்க ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்கிறதுல யாரெல்லாம் அந்த கோடிங் வராது, கொஞ்சம் ஃபியர்னஸ் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, ஒரு தடவை சான்ஸ் ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். அந்த பிரேக் அவுட் ஆகுறது நீங்க வெளியே வரலாம், எனக்கு பயம் இருக்குங்க வந்து வெளியே வரலாம். நான் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு லைவ் சினாரியோட எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன். ஐ லைக் டு ஷேர் மை ஸ்கிரீன்.
Okay, not only Prakash, this is for everyone, people who came back from the break. Gaushi asked a question about I'm from non-IT background or I'm not interested in coding. So what would be the scope for me and how it's going to be? So Prakash is going to explain the things with some real-time use cases about the people who got trained in AJSD and who got placed recently, who are all from non-IT background. Maybe Prakash bro, if it is possible, you can also explain in English so other people also can understand. Thank you.
Fine. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, Prakash.
Okay, fine. Let me explain about this grenade. When you go to our AJST YouTube channel, you can see this video like Salesforce classroom training for Mailadurai. So there is a 3 candidate name called Pragladam, Hari and Dinesh. These 3 candidates purely come from non-IT background, like EEE, mechanical engineering, completely. Even they don't have any programming knowledge. I am the first person to attend their call in the Mailadurai office. I given the complete guidance, like, sir, we are 3 come from Madurai, so we don't have any coding knowledge. Even we are not touching any coding in our college days. So we also worked in 6 months for our core department, but even we didn't get any proper job after that. We left the job right now. So we heard about the Salesforce. If I come to the AJSK Academy, so the trainers will give you the proper training and we are able to get the job opportunity. But there only one commitment what from their side is they clearly informed, sir, whatever you are saying in the technical side, we are following that. We are ready to learn that. But we want the job because we in our family is very in a poor middle class situation. We are the persons who need to step up and get the job in the IT. So Salesforce is the number 1 best domain right now. We want to come to Mailadurai and we want to stay there and want to learn. After that, final thing is we want to get the job in the Salesforce domain, especially as a developer. I directly asked them, we have a different role. They clearly informed, sir, we are ready to try. We are ready to try the coding first. We want to implement that and try to get the job. I just want to say that. So after the call, I will share this video to you. It's like a 11 minutes of video. I will share you in the chat also. Please listen it. If I play that, it will take more time. So these are the 3 candidates. They came here. I just want to share with the profile, like LinkedIn profile also. They came here to Mailadurai. That these 3 people are really extraordinary people. I am not seen like the people who have that much of confidence in learning. They came to Mailadurai office. They stay there daily basis of 9 hours of learning in classroom. After classroom completed, they went back to the room. Like literally night time, 11 to 2 p.m. There is 3 hours. Literally daily basis of 12 to 13 hours they are learning for the Salesforce training. So whatever the trainer given the instruction, they keep on following. Even as I said, they are they didn't touch any coding in the college times. They started here. We given the proper guidance. They are getting the trainer assistance. They properly study daily basis of 13 hours. They are studying. Honestly speaking, after completion the course, they are taken for 90 days of subscription, I believe. So within 90 days, 80 to 90% they have completely complete the course. So after 90 days, still they are thinking about the interview preparation. They don't have any material access. After that, we requested to the management. These 3 people are really extraordinary person. They are done a course really well. If we provide additional 2 more weeks, definitely they are started preparing for the interview. Then they started attending the company interviews. We requested to Mr. Ashok and management. They provided another 15 days of material access to the 3 candidates. So they completed the mock interview. They cleared well. After that, they started attending the interviews. The first person, Hariharan, currently is working as a success matrix. He's a Salesforce developer. So he is the first person got the job with the good package of a fresher minimum 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh that time. So I think he's getting like near 3.5 lakh that. He started his journey at the Salesforce. He is from the purely non-IT person. The first after that, Dinesh and Pragaladan are attending the interviews, but the first interview they are not cracked it. So they just definitely they are in the wake stage. They are not they are got disappointed. After that, I guided them. Don't worry, we know how you worked hard really because you are from different background. Like you are not even the programming side. You given your complete effort, literally 13 hours of daily basis of learning. Definitely, you will get a job. So what they did is after attending the first company, Dinesh and Pragaladan went back to the home, Madurai. So 10 days after, they again got the interview call from the Abstrails company. So this name is called Bangalore company Abstrails. Both are attend. Both are attend. They got the both are in the job with the Salesforce developer. Now these 3 people, Pragaladan is working in Abstrails, and Dinesh Kumar working Bangalore company Abstrail Technology, and finally Harigaran, who is got first place, is working success matrix at Pondicherry. These 3 people are got Salesforce domain as a developer. You please everybody please take a role model for this guy. Even these 3 people are came from different background, from mechanical background. Right now these 3 people are working as a Salesforce developer. My humble request to all attending this meeting, if you are from non-IT background, first you come out from the fearness. Even I'm not touching the coding. You first try the trial. Whether it's working or not working, it's the second thing. You first try the trial. Maybe we don't know. Some of the person you are really good knowledge in the logical thinking, analyze skill. Definitely you are going to be a future Salesforce developer. First you come here, take the trial. Whether you check from your side, whether it's training methodology suits for you, and we are able to do the understanding the programming concept. Maybe one day you also be in the good position as a Salesforce developer in different company. So that's my humble request. These 3 people are really outstanding people. That's why today I just taken their profile. Even after the call, I will share this LinkedIn profile in the chat. Who wants to some guidance from them, directly check with them through LinkedIn. Definitely they will assist you. These people are ready to assist you. So my request is somebody is from non-IT background, take a challenge, come to AJSD. First try the trial. If the training methodology really suits for you, then please start the course. Don't wait for and don't be hesitate and don't if you have a fear, just to break out from the fear. That is very important thing. I hope Kaushik, along with you, remaining people, I covered for the who is having the non-IT background can able to do the Salesforce domain and getting the job in the Salesforce as a developer. So my request is you also take a serious and moving forward, break out your fear and come to AJ skill domain, start with your trial. So you will be one day as like a Hari, Pragaladan and Dinesh. Thank you so much, Ashok, for sharing these details to the candidates. Thank you so much.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. And this is for everyone. And we are offering 7 days of free trial for people who stay back till end of the session and attend the quiz competition we are going to conduct. Who are the winners of the quiz competition? You are all going to get a 7 days of free trial training, both admin and development from AJSD. We used to charge 1,000 rupees for the 7 days trial in general. But for the participants of this particular session, end of the session, we are going to conduct the quiz competition. Whoever wins the quiz, and you are going to get the 1,000 rupees worth 7 days free trial training from AJSD. And we already have this over your information as well. All right, I think that's for the day from my side and Prakash bro. And now for the session 1, we're still going to be there. Over to you, Santosh. You can go with the next agenda, Santosh.
Yeah, I think Mr. Gopal is...
Ashok, sorry to cut you. After 7 day, what would be the training price?
Yeah, that course details we'll definitely cover at the end of the session, Niranjan. Let's complete this career guidance program. Definitely, our team is going to be there till the end of the session. They are going to guide you with the course structure, fees, and everything.
Okay,
so,
sorry.
And of course, there are people waiting to clarify your queries. The Q&A session still will continue, and the team has an agenda. Let the team complete their agenda, and we are going to be here today. It is Saturday for us. நாலு ஃபுல்லா இருந்து உங்களோட கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும்னா we are going to be here and answer all the questions. We are not going to leave without answering your questions. So don't worry. Let's complete this agenda and we'll continue the Q&A after that. Yes, over to you, Santosh. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Ashok. Thank you, Prakash, for clarifying the doubts. And I hope almost we are almost 50% of the agenda we have covered here. And next, Mr. Gokulath has some questions. Till now, whatever you have discussed, Mr. Gokulath has some question, I think. Gokulath, you can ask your question, Gokulath.
Sorry, Santosh. Sorry to interrupt. Santosh, do you have any other topics to be covered, or we can go with the Q&A itself?
We can go with the Q&A, Ashok. As of now, we have covered almost all the topics, including AI also we covered, Agent Force and different roles, and what is CRM, what is IT, everything we have covered. So
Okay.
next, we can start with the Q&As.
Okay, only Q&A is pending. So is there anything you or Harish has to cover individually? Anything?
No, as of now, we don't have to cover.
Okay, all right then. Then let's go with the Q&A. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Gerald Wilson, you have a question?
Actually, I had one question, sir. You called me.
Yeah, Gopalnath, please go ahead. Yeah, we can hear you.
Actually, I'm undergoing training in AJSD in admin and development. So it's a 4-month course. I'm just undergoing it. I have one doubt. Actually, due to societal pressure and other conditions, I have to go to job. I just completed fourth. I'm just graduated from college, so I have to go to job. So that's my compulsory situation here around my home. So I'm just halfway through admin role. In 5 to 10 days, I will complete the admin role. So what are the opportunities I have to get? I know coding, somewhat coding. I know Python and C++. So what are the what are the opportunities I will get, and how what are the salary package I will get in admin? After if I just got selected in admin role, I can even learn developer role meanwhile, right? So that's my plan. What about your suggestion?
Yeah, thank you for the question. Please, Harish, you can answer for this question, Harish. Harish, please.
Yeah, Santosh, maybe Harish is not available, I believe.
Oh.
Gokul, myself, Ram Manohar, I understand your concern. But before that also, Ashok explained. If you start journey as a developer, you'll be getting a lot of opportunities. But administrator also, you'll be getting opportunities, but you should wait for some time. But just now you said you have to join job due to some other pressures. But if that is the case, waiting for the administrator job is it's not correct actually. So what I'm trying to say is, nowadays administrator roles are very less. It's chance of just minimum 2% to max 5%. But if you go for as a development, you'll be getting 100% assurance. If you take 4 developers will be there, only 1 admin will be there. But admin person can't do development, but developer can also be a administrator. Nowadays, organization also, they're hiring the person as a developer. Depends on the project, they're giving the task as administrator itself. It's happening in real-time scenarios, but administrator positions, they're opening very minimal openings. That in India, very less. You'll be getting administrator roles only out of India. These are reality actually.
Gokul, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So what Ram has told is that a reality. If there is a one admin position, assume that I'm working in a company and there is a fresher admin position is coming. What I will do, I will first check my first circle, my Anna, Tambi, or Mama, Macha, or cousin, and I will tell them, hey, in my company, there is a junior administrator position is there. You just learn the trial heads and come and attend. You will easily clear. That's how most of the admin jobs are being filled up with the HRs and their close circle. Unless or until you have a close circle relative who is going to refer you within the company, it is very difficult for you to get the admin job. That's the reality. You know, learning admin is very easy and working admin also very easy. And you cannot see admin openings outside. Outside, I'm talking about in Naukri or LinkedIn. Out of blue moon, like 1 or 2 openings comes in, thousands and thousands of people apply for administrators. So practically, it is not possible. You have to accept that reality. We understood you have a society pressure, family pressure to go to job. Yes, but you have to educate them. Like for this, there is no opportunity. You already spent 4 months in learning the admin. Spend another 2 months or 3 months. Learn the development as soon as possible. It's a matter of 2 months or 3 months. You said that you are part of AJSD. Then you, whether you are attending the Apex Bootcamp, Google, which is currently going on.
No, sir, no.
Why?
I'm not aware of that.
You are not aware of that. You are part of AJSD, WhatsApp groups and all, right?
Yes, sir. I just thought of I don't know development, so I don't have no bootcamp. So I have no idea about that.
So basically, Google, right from beginning of the bootcamp, we are educating all our AJSD folks in Click channel, in the WhatsApp group, in email. We are mentioning whoever know the basic of admin till relationship, till at security can come and attend the bootcamp. In bootcamp, we are teaching coding like line by line, like in school, college. People are practicing next to me. I write a single code, next they write the single code and they are getting an output. Be aware what is going on around us. See, நீங்க வேலைக்கு போகணும்னு நினைக்கிறதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப முக்கியம் தான். அதை விட ரொம்ப முக்கியம் என்னன்னா நம்மளை சுத்தி என்ன நடக்குதுன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். நீங்க கூப்பிட்டு கேட்டிருக்கலாம் அட்லீஸ்ட். There is a bootcamp going to happen. இப்பதான் just before you, I just spoke about one candidate. யாருன்னு தெரியல. Somebody asked the question இல்ல 3rd year பண்றேன்னு சொல்லியிருந்தாரு ஒருத்தர் தம்பி. Who's that? Justin. அவர்கிட்ட ஒரு வார்த்தை சொன்னேன், ஞாபகம் இருக்குங்களா? லேர்னிங் ஆட்டிடியூட். ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிலாம் நம்மளை தேடிலாம் வராது. You are the one have to go and grab the opportunity for yourself. He got some random link and he joined the session. In that session, he was keep on asking the question and also torturing me to answer all this question. End of the day, he got what he needs. கொஞ்சம் இந்த அளவுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுங்கன்னா build up the attitude. கண்டிப்பா வேணும். You have to be active. You are not just going to compete with one another college student or one another human being. You're going to compete with somebody who got the human brain and also AI knowledge. அப்படி இருக்கும்போது you have to be aware of what is going around you. You are part of the WhatsApp group, but the same WhatsApp group only we are also posting all the messages about bootcamp and all. 20 days completed. You could have attended that bootcamp. If you are seriously நான் சொல்றேன், நீங்க அந்த bootcamp attend பண்ணீங்க, if you have attend that bootcamp itself, you got the confidence of, hey, vada, I can do the coding and I can also become a Salesforce developer கிடைச்சிரும். இப்பயும் ஒண்ணு கெட்டு போல. The bootcamp recordings are available in our LMS. Get access from the support team. Watch the video. Join the bootcamp. It is going to happen for the next 2 to 3 months till LWC வரைக்கும் பண்ண பிளான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். And this is a job guaranteed bootcamp. Why you joined the AJSD? For the job only, right? And we are saying it is a job guaranteed bootcamp. And we are also பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருக்கோம். But you are not making use of the opportunity which is already created. It is not something we are doing it for free of cost. You already paid for this. And we are delivering the service. By the time we are delivering the service, you are not opting the service. So please make use of such opportunity which is actually in front of you. I understand you have the pressure. Everybody have a pressure. But it is very important. You should have the clarity of what we are going on. Admin, getting the admin job, then I will learn development. Once you get into the organization, 9 to 10 hours, they will squeeze you and throw you out. Okay, you will not get 1 hour or 10 minutes to learn something new. You will stuck up in that. I have people in AJ skill development who were worked as an admin for 2 years, 3 years, and now they are coming back, says that I have a fear of my career. All these years I worked only on reports and dashboard. Now AI is replacing creating reports and dashboard. அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரிலாம் இருக்காங்க. So better whoever planning to learn, I strongly recommend, if you're planning to learn development அப்படின்னா better learn it then and there. Getting into the organization, then I will learn. நடக்கவே நடக்காது. Maybe if your project permits, it may happen. That's a luck. Yes.
Thank you, Ashok.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Actually, I have one doubt, sir. Actually, வந்து நான் நினைச்சேன் என்னன்னா லைக் அட்மின் அதுக்கப்புறம் ஸ்டெப் பை ஸ்டெப்பா தான் போகணும், அட்மின் அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் டெவலப்மெண்ட், நான் அப்படி நினைச்சேன். அதனாலதான் வந்து ஸோ பூட் கேம்ப் எனக்கு அதை பத்தி அவேரா இல்லை. And another one thing is, actually, I just got placed in teachers. Meanwhile, they haven't sent me the joining letter. That's why, for meanwhile, I can learn something new. That's why I joined in AJSD.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your time, and thank you for a question what you asked. So next, I would like to ask Mr. Shuhaib Mohammed. You can ask your question, Mr. Shuhaib.
Hello, sir. Hi.
Yeah, hi, Shuhaib, please.
சார், இந்த டெவலப்பிங் ரோல்ல எப்படி, அதாவது பேக் அண்ட் செப்பரேட்டா இருப்பாங்களா, ஃப்ரண்ட் அண்ட் செப்பரேட்டா இருப்பாங்களா, இல்ல ஒரே ஆளு போத்தும் மேனேஜ் பண்ணுமா?
Shuhaib, I'm not getting you. Back end means what you're trying to ask.
இப்போ நார்மல் ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் டெவலப்மெண்ட்ஸ்ல எப்படின்னா பேக் அண்ட் செப்பரேட் டீம் இருப்பாங்க. அவங்க ஜாவா இல்லைன்னா .NETல கோட் எழுதுவாங்க. அது அவங்க ரியாக்ட் ஆங்குலர்ல இன்டெகிரேட் பண்ணி ஃப்ரண்ட் அண்ட். அது மாதிரி சேல்ஸ்ஃபோர்ஸ்ல அப்பெக்ஸ் பிளஸ் எல்டபிள்யூசி நினைக்கிறேன். இது ரெண்டும் கம்பைனா படிச்சா தான் டெவலப்பரா, இல்ல செப்பரேட்டா நமக்கு போலாமா?
LWC part of development only.
அப்போ
yeah.
நான் கேக்குறது என்னன்னா, பேக் அண்ட் பிளஸ் ஃப்ரண்ட் அண்ட் மாதிரி இருக்குமா, இல்ல அப்பெக்ஸ் பிளஸ் எல்டபிள்யூஸ் தான் டெவலப்பர்? அதுல
back end in Salesforce, developers are always working on backend and front end both. Because example, at the time of demo, Preeti has showed one website. Website also built by developers, and backend Apex coding also running by developer only. But here integration will be happen between website to Salesforce Arc, which is built by developers only.
Okay, sir.
Both will be developers will be handle both front end and back end both. But if you want to handle anything, you should learn coding knowledge. I mean Apex class, how to handle Apex class and triggers, how to build the LWC components and all.
Okay. So what makes Salesforce so special other than other CRM? எப்படின்னா, இப்போ நான் ஒரு இன்டர்னா ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அந்த கம்பெனியில் ERP ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் இருந்தது. அதுல சிஆர்எம் செப்பரேட்டா ஒரு மொடியூல் இருந்துச்சு. அது ஆக்சுவலா அது ஒரு ஸ்மால் ஸ்டார்ட் அப் தான். அவங்களே சிஆர்எம் பண்ணும்போது நம்ம எதுக்கு பெரிய சப்ஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் கொடுத்து வேற Salesforce மாதிரி சிஆர்எம் யூஸ் பண்ணோம்?
Correct. May I know which product you worked in ERP? I mean ERP too.
Actually, I'm Python developer, sir.
Yeah, correct. But coming to Salesforce, why Salesforce is that much special? It has customized applications. You need not to build another applications, but depends on the product. So Salesforce itself, they're providing different applications like sales application, service application, marketing, everything. Pre-designed applications they have, but in case if they want to do some changes related to their sales product or service product, then developer do some changes. Okay. So that is the reason Salesforce has more how can you say, it has more focus in the market. That's the reason still it is number one in this CRM, still number one in the market as CRM.
Okay, your question is why Salesforce? அப்படிதானே சொல்றீங்க?
ஆமா சார்.
உலகத்துல எவ்வளவோ பொண்ணு வந்து நான் ஏன் ஜெஸியை தேர்னேன் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி உலகத்துல எவ்வளவோ சிஆர்எம் வந்தாலும் there are so many CRMs in the world. Why should I still go for Salesforce? This is a $1 million question. See, அதுல ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா, இப்ப நம்ம so Diwali is going to come and other festivals are going to come. If I ask you to get a t-shirt or pant for you, what you will do? என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? புதுசா சட்டை வாங்கணும், பேண்ட் வாங்கணும். What you will do?
ஏதாச்சும் கடைக்கு
போறீங்களா? Still you are going to shop and all?
ஆமா சார், ட்ரெஸ் எல்லாம் ஆன்லைன்ல பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்றது.
You are not in Gen Z. நீங்க Gen Z இல்லையா? And next sir.
சார், ஷாப்பிங் பண்றது ஒரு வேற எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் தானே.
பரவாயில்லப்பா. அப்ப Gen Z-லே நீங்க வந்து கொஞ்சம் என்ன சொல்றது, டிபிக்கலா வேற Gen Z தான் நீங்க. The 80s kid, 90s kid நாங்களாம் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா, we go to shop where we go there, அங்க போயிட்டு we check for the 36, 32 size போட்டு பார்ப்போம் and we check fitting is fine, good, pay the bill and come back. Now Ulta Gen Z என்ன பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா they go to the applications and they select the color, they select the size, and in the application itself nowadays என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா உங்களுடைய பாடியை போட்டுட்டு it is showing you how you going to looks like, right? So look at that, how it is simple. Earlier days it was not like that. You have to go to the shop, get the fabric first, thuni vaagano, then you have to take a shirt bit, pant bit, then you have to find a tailor. Avaru nalla tailor ah irukano. Avarku if the tailor already have pre-orders அப்படினா அவர் என்ன பண்ணுவாரு, தீபாவளியில அடிச்சு நவுத்திடுவாரு, ஒண்ணுக்கு 4 பட்டன் வச்சு கொடுத்துருவாரு. So getting a good dress அப்படின்னா என்ன ஆகுது அப்படின்னா even after during the Diwali what will happen na, you are waiting for the Diwali day and you wear the clothes, it will be like kai பெருசா இருக்கும், pant சின்னதா இருக்கும், and it is not fit at all. That is the situation happened with the software as well, used to be. If I'm a business, I want to go online and I want to acquisition my customer. 20-30 years back, what I have to do, I hire a developer, hire a DB manager, hire a backend team, take a website, on the web server, app server, then I create a software for 10-12 months. Once when the software delivers, the people will say, hey, idu naan kettadillada appdin sonnana enna agum. It was the case, but nowadays Salesforce make it very, very, very simple. For example, if you are having உங்களுக்கு கையில வந்து 2500 you are having அப்படின்னா, now you can go to Salesforce website and you can purchase Salesforce. Look at my screen. If you are a business and you want to have an application for yourself, Salesforce got these many products. These products makes Salesforce the best. All these products are inside Salesforce. No other CRM got these many products for the customers. Look at the industries they are covering. They're covering almost all the industries. You cannot show me a CRM, a single CRM company that owns these many products and covering these many industries. That makes the Salesforce so special. For example, you want to have a data cloud, you want to have a sales, you want to have a service. இது எல்லாமே பண்ணோம்னா இன்டகிரேட்டடா இருக்கு. எல்லாத்துக்கும் மேல what makes Salesforce so easier, right? Like Ram mentioned, complex business problem. If it is a simple business, like na sonna mari academies and other things, right? They can use a very simple CRM and all. Think about big companies like Indigo Airlines, Air India, like I said, GRT. Facebook is using Salesforce and TVS is using Salesforce. So they have complex business problem. To get the solution easily and quickly for the complex business problem is much easier in Salesforce when comparing to the other application. Maybe you can build application in Java, you can build application in Python, you can build application in Zogo, ellame pannalam. How much time it is going to take, how secure it is, and how easy to adapt. So these things make Salesforce, yes, standing away from everyone. That is the reason Salesforce for the last 12 years, #1 CRM in the world. If you go here and you can check who are all the #1, #2 CRM provider in the world, this is a link. You can search like Salesforce being #1 for 12 years. As per the IDC market report, okay, taking time to load, just a moment. So as per the IDC market report, Salesforce is being the #1 CRM for the 12th consecutive years. Let me get the draft. Maybe I can put this link in the chat. That makes actually Salesforce so special. They holds nearly almost 25% of market share in the global market.
So business க்கு தேவையான எல்லா மாடியூல்ஸும் ஆல்ரெடி ப்ரீ-பில்ட் பண்ணி வச்சிருப்பாங்க. நீங்க பேமெண்ட் பண்ணா
pre-built, and even if you are asking some customized solution, the solution can be delivered quickly and easily.
Okay.
Okay, all right, yeah. Move on to the next question. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivu. I hope you got clarity regarding why Salesforce and all. So next person, Mr. Kiran Kumar.
Hi, sir. Thanks for
Yeah, sure.
thanks for AJSD for initiating of all the motivating and inspiring to the Salesforce professionals. I have a question to the Ashok sir and also for team. I have an experience of around 12 years in IT, around 5 years in Salesforce and 7 years in the Siebel CRM. Now what happened is due to layoff jobs, sometimes I happen of losing the job. But what I observed is, see, the Salesforce projects are not for long term, like 8 months or 1 year. It's a duration of short-term projects. That is what I'm worrying in the cloud technologies. When I was into the Siebel, at least of a project will be 1 year or 2 year, or the long-lasting. Due to the arising of global tensions and wars, the layoffs, I'm worrying about the future in the AI. That's what I need a suggestion from your side to give motivation and confidence in the.
Basically, Kiran, the answer for why you are getting short-term Salesforce projects, and the answer which we have given earlier. Yes, see, I worked for Siebel. By the way, I'm also a Siebel developer. I used to be. So comparatively, Siebel compare பண்ணும்போது, when it comes to Salesforce, you can make things much faster, much faster. So the project life cycle will be shrink. You can immediately complete the project and move on to the next one. So it depends upon the companies you are choosing. If you are in a big companies like TCS, Deloitte, and they have the project pipelines. And of course, being 12 years into IT, especially into Salesforce, you are also not going to get a simple package. Definitely, it is going to be a higher packages, right? More than like 12 LPA, 20 LPA, 30 LPA. That's how people having 12 years or 13 years experience in Salesforce are getting. So when there is no project in pipeline for that particular company, if it is a startup, being a startup company, giving you 3 lakh salary, 4 lakh salary in a month, they cannot afford without projects in pipeline. So what I would suggest, when next time when you start look for the opportunities, target for the big companies like Deloitte, Accenture, TCS, where the companies definitely will have a project in pipeline. They are having branches across 180 countries. So many projects they are doing. So layoff is not going to happen for those companies. And also provided you must have the best skill set, because comparingly, since you are in the higher package, you are going to compete not only with the college people who is just coming out of the college, you also have to compete with people with 2 years experience with AI knowledge. So you are in the higher package and you have a equal competition over there, then you have no other choice than keep yourself updated, not only in Apex, not only in LWC. You must have the other Salesforce cloud application knowledge as well. Say, for example, being 12 years into IT and almost 5 years in Salesforce, I would say at least you must have a very good hands-on with at least 3 to 4 clouds in Salesforce. I'm a certified Salesforce service cloud consultant, sales cloud consultant, experience cloud consultant, and platform developer too. By the time I got only 4.5 years only experience. And I got projects and I got retained in the companies because I got the cloud knowledge apart from admin and development knowledge. You are working in a company for 2 years or 3 years being an administrator and developer, it is okay. After that, your salary get rise 40%, 100%. Then obviously the expectation on you also will get rise. You must get a good hands-on on any one of these clouds, commerce cloud, marketing cloud. Rather than calling yourself as a Salesforce developer, you should be, by this time, you should be calling yourself as a consultant, technical consultant. I'm a service cloud technical consultant. I'm a experience cloud technical consultant. Or I'm a commerce cloud project architect. You cannot be Salesforce developer till you get retired. 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years maximum, you can call yourself as a senior Salesforce developer. After that, you should start pursue your career towards either architect role, technical architect, application architect, solution architect, or other side like a consultant, technical consultant, cloud consultant, now agent force consultant. So it's a matter of upskilling only, Kiran. It's not at all about the job or trend, or you're talking about US, other tensions, right?
Yes.
Not at all about less projects. In fact, let me give you the stat. 2 to 3 years back, Salesforce were focusing more on the North American markets and European markets, UK, European. So most of the projects we used to receive only from North America, Europe, Australia, and UK. Now the companies are getting a project from Indian business users. As I said, Indigo Airlines, they are using Salesforce. Air India is using Salesforce. Both is using Salesforce. GRT using Salesforce. Karur Vysya Bank, they are using Salesforce. Now, all the Indian business people, they started using Salesforce. Salesforce is targeting the Indian customers like anything. In fact, more number of Salesforce projects are now in the pipeline for all the organization. The reason why you are getting layoff, one must be two things. Either you still not get into the architect mode or consultant mode, where you should be in a position, should get work done from the BA, developers, administrator. These people should work. You should have the capacity to handle a team of 20, 30 people as or a technical project manager or a consultant or a technical architect. Or the companies what you are choosing, they don't have the projects in pipeline. So study about the company before you apply for the job. Don't just apply for the job just because they are offering good salary. Study about the company, what acquisitions they have done recently, what are the customers they are having, the customer base. A company never lose a skillful Salesforce admin, architect, or somebody just because they don't have project. I know the companies, they keep people in bench for minimum 3 to 4 months or 1 year. They still wait because they know if it is very difficult to get resources like you. So paying you 12 lakhs, 17 lakhs for them is not a big deal, because you are going to generate the revenue 100 times out of it the moment they get a project, and they know that really well. So choose the company wisely, and also you equip yourself in this area. I strongly recommend you get any cloud certification and also be expert in any one of the cloud which is available in the market, which is most if Omni Studio you can go for Omni Studio, B2B commerce cloud, experience cloud. ஏதாவது ஒரு cloudல என்ன பண்ணுங்கன்னா have the expertise that will save you definitely.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you Kiran, for asking the questions. Hope you got clarity now, Kiran, right?
Yes, please. Thanks.
Thank you, Mr. Kiran. And next we move on to Ms. Kirtana. I can ask her a question, Ms. Kirtana.
Hello again. So I have a question regarding career, because I started my Salesforce career in 2019, but unfortunately I had to quit after 2020. So, but then I was actually focusing on my personal commitments. But whenever I had a time, I used to train each graduate about, basic things and all that. But right now, I'm actually living in another country, so which is completely getting a job is actually so hard right now. I have a huge career gap on 3 to 4 years. So can you give me or suggest me any insights or strategies that I can apply to get a job in abroad? I'm actually open with junior roles as well, but it's so hard for me to get a job. So can you suggest someone what to do? What can I apply? Like this kind of stuff that I.
Your question is, so now you're having a career gap, right?
Yes, I have.
Okay, and you're completed, and previously you worked in the IT domain?
Yes, I have worked in a company called Cloudcube, which is located in Trivandrum. So I have to resign my job, and now I don't have a job. I'm actually freelancing. Like I've been training Salesforce basics from fresh graduates to a particular company, but that's also freelancing, which is I can't shift myself from trainer to developer as well. So which is unfortunately I'm living in abroad, so which is quite hard for me to get a job here. So,
Okay, so you're asking that, so if you complete the course, if you learn Salesforce, so whether you can get a job in abroad and all, right? You're asking.
Yes, I do have a few certifications like PD1 and 18201. Yeah, I do have that. But that is not actually enough for me to get a job there. I don't know, like people ask me to apply with strategies. That's the main thing they actually. So I don't know where to start. I'm completely new to this country. I'm not actually living in like that. Yeah, I don't know where to start. So any ideas that I can apply?
Sure, sure. So I would like to ask Mr. Prakash, you're there. So Mr. Prakash will be assisting with you regarding the question what you asked.
Okay.
Prakash? Yeah. Thank you, Prakash. So Kirtan is asking that she has already worked in a IT domain and now she has a career gap and again she wants to restart in IT. So she is expecting whether we can assist her in the abroad jobs and all. That is what your question, right, Ms. Kirtana?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, please go.
Yeah, Kitana, thank you for your question. Yeah, see, we have so many candidates who are taking the training from the like UK, UAE, New Zealand, like that. So most of the candidates we directly suggest for that. So somebody is working, somebody is taking the training there. They just want the job opportunity there. So course completion is not only enough to get the job opportunity there. And the main thing is after completion the course, you have to do complete few things like apart from course. Here, what the abroad company's expectation is. What are the certification you've done so far in the Salesforce? Like admin have admin certification when it comes to the development, platform developer 1, platform developer 2. So these are the certification. Apart from course, you have to do the certification. And the next one is once you completed the course, you please evaluate yourself with the mock interview. From our side, we have a skilled trainers. So they will do the mock interviews. You can evaluate yourself whether we are going to attend the interviews in abroad or not. So they will provide you the proper feedback. Whether you are technically strong, you can go for it. Apart from, we are helping for the resume preparation. Definitely you can apply for the job there. So we have a sample resume with us. So once you completed the mock interview, if you are technically strong, try to prepare your resume. So for your technical knowledge. After that, you have to apply for the job. Once you completed the resume, you're definitely going to attend some interview there, 1 or 2 interviews. In case if you missed to answer any 1 or the 2 questions, definitely we have a technical experts here or trainers here. You can share your interview question who missed to answer the question. You share with our trainer. Definitely the trainer will evaluate your question and they will give you the proper answer to you. So these are the additional effect. And along with this, what we are usually suggesting for the abroad candidate means once you completed the course, the certification, we usually suggest for the real-time projects. Here we have a end-to-end projects, e-commerce, manufacturing, insurance. So if you want to do the part-time of the projects, you do the real-time projects. So these are all added advantages when go for the abroad jobs. Mostly they are expecting the lifetime scenario. Do you have any experience in lifetime? So you completed any project? Definitely the abroad companies are going to ask these questions. So you please do some real-time projects. These are all part-time projects. So whenever you have available time, you can build the module. You can get the review from the trainer. Final thing is, if you are fully available, you said you have a career gap. If you are available full time, I can do some real-time projects. Means yes, we have a company name called Digigas. We are doing the Salesforce project. You also please join that project. You take please join the project. You do as a developer role or a QA role, whatever you are requested. Please take one position and please join the particular Digigas project and make your hands-on. Technically, you will be strong in the live projects. So these are all added advantages when it comes to the abroad job. Definitely one of our candidate, I think is Suganya, she's from USA. She worked as a Java developer. I think she Java developer. Then she left the job. After that, she taken the trial in Salesforce in AJ skill development. She used to prepare our AJSD questions. So we have a set of questions for the interview preparation. She used to prepare that. Then I think almost 5 or 6 interviews she attended in USA. Finally, she cracked the interview in USA. So these are all examples. Definitely the abroad candidates get the job in abroad. But the thing is, apart from course, you have to do so many things. So you have to get the trainer assistance. What are the things you need to improve from your side? please get the improvements. Definitely, if your skill set, if you upskill your knowledge, and if you attend the interview in abroad, definitely you will get a job opportunity in abroad. So these are the major things. First, you try to focus on the real-time projects after completion of the course. That is very, very important. The in abroad company also mostly looking for the real-time scenario and real-time hands-on experience. So that is very important for you.
Okay.
Thank you, Prakash. And Kirtana, the suggestion, yes, Prakash has covered pretty much. If it is India, the getting job opportunity in Salesforce is very straightforward. Complete the course, attend the assessment or attend the mock interview. We can check you got the clarity. Then we are going to refer you with our tied up partners. You get the job. Very straightforward. They're not going to ask you for the certification. They're not going to ask for the project. They're not going to ask you to work in a real time, because in India, there are so many openings going on for freshers. Even they're ready to hire people with a career gap. They're ready to hire people from non-IT background, provided they have the clarity. If I am giving a laptop, if I ask them to develop a project, if they are able to develop, they get the job in India for sure. But when it comes to abroad, it is not that much open. If you are a fresher applying for an opportunity outside India, yes, getting the job opportunity is difficult. So what you have to do, you have to do certification. Yes, then you have to work in a real-time project and get the certification from the organization says that, yes, you worked as a volunteer or unpaid intern for 6 months or 4 months. With that experience, you have to apply for the opportunities. For people in abroad like US, Canada, UK, they have a culture called consultancies. The consultancies will get their resume and they will do marketing for them. And they will also keep some experience, 2 years or 3 years or 4 years. They don't have any other options. In USA, you cannot apply for a fresher job and get the fresher opportunity. You have to keep experience. But in AJSD, what we can help you with the help of another organization called Digigas India Private Limited, where we are having multiple Salesforce projects. All the AJSD trainees will get an opportunity to work in that project. It's a special program called Project and Interview Assistance. And you will get an opportunity to work in the real-time project. You get the real hands-on, how a typical IT projects works. Right from the requirement gathering, creating the BRD, sitting with the team, using the agile methodology to develop the project, deployment, the entire project life cycle, you're going to work for 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. You get the good hands-on. No matter how much experience you're going to put it in the resume when applying for the opportunity, you would be in a position to work independently. So that's something we can ensure, the team can ensure that you will get the knowledge for sure from the overall practice you're going to get. But unfortunately, we cannot refer you for abroad jobs. Say, for example, if you are in Dubai or you are in US, if you ask us, do you have any tie-up company in US? Just like you got tied up companies in India, can you refer me to any company in US now? No, we don't have any tied up with any job providers in US or anywhere outside India. We have companies within India. For outside India, we can help you to enable you. You will get the complete knowledge to work independently. That is something we can do.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ashok.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Wilson, you can ask your question, Mr. Wilson.
Yes, sir. Good day to all peoples, and my special thanks to Mr. Ashok and team, because you are doing a very good services for the learning community. And before 1 month only, I heard about this Salesforce. I am basically a mechanical engineer, and I am 46 years old. And 20 years of my career is fully in mechanical field, and I worked as a research and development, a new product development in a mechanical field. And last 4-5 years, I'm not working, so there is a career gap of around 5 years. And I am non-IT, so non-IT, and my age is 46. And I have gone through so many videos from your YouTube channel, and I'm very much motivated on that. And I want to do something in IT related field. So I want some guidance from Ashok or something. I already inquired. I think Mr. Harish, I already spoke with him actually. That is regarding the fees details and all. So I need a guidance on this actually. And I just want to move to the IT field. And I also joined in a data science course in BS Data Science in IIT Madras recently. I am having children, college going children. Still, I have very strong interest to do these Salesforce courses. And during my career, I worked in a company where the Oracle ERP Oracle as implementation. I worked as a team member, as a functional wise support, and I also worked in some Windchill on PLM software. I also worked as admin. So I know the basic knowledge about the ERP and PLM softwares. So I need guidance on this actually.
Sure, Wilson. Thank you. Thank you for the question. Yeah, Mr. Prakash would like to answer for this question.
Gerald, thanks for your question. The thing is, when it comes to the Salesforce, age is not a matter because we have already have a candidate like Selva Guru. She had already 19 years of career gap. Then she completed the training, then switched her career into Salesforce developer. But after completion of the course, she did some internship in Pondicherry company. After that, based on her performance, the company itself, they are provide the opportunity. So thing is, yes, you can learn Salesforce, you can upskill your knowledge. So my first question is, how much package you have previously received in your organization as a core company?
Actually, I left on 2019. On that time, I had a 15 lakhs package. But as of now, I don't need that much package. I should be treated as a fresher. It is okay for me actually.
Okay, great. That's the answer I really wanted to see. If you want to switch your career into Salesforce, yes, definitely you can. You have to upskill your knowledge. As Ram Manohar said and Ashok said, we have so many roles here. So if you're learning, if you're interested to learn to development part and want to switch to Salesforce, it's really added advantage. Yes, you can also learn. Just before I given one explanation about the non-coding background candidates. So definitely you can learn once you completed the course. If you are technically strong, and as I said, for the abroad candidates, try to do some certifications and other things. These are all added advantages when it comes to the career gap people. These are things. Once you completed the training and the added advantages for the certification and everything, definitely if you apply for a job, definitely you will get it. So when it comes to Salesforce developer, as you entered as a Salesforce developer, the market current package they are providing is minimum of 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh per annum. Last week, I think one of our candidates also received the package like nearly 5 lakh per annum as a fresher. So once you entered into the organization and based on your performance, take an example, 6 months or 1 year of performance, if your performance is really good, you can expect 50 to 70% hike, even 100% hike also received from your CTC. This happened. I shared one candidate in the video, right? So he got 100% hike in the Salesforce developer within a 1 year of duration. So if you ask me, I'm switching to non-IT to IT. It's possible. Yes, you can learn. But the thing is, once you complete the course, if you are technically strong, try to do some certification. Because of this career gap and everything, we have to match with that. Try to do some certification. So when you do the certification, these are all added advantage when you go for the interview. So take an example. I'm a completed Salesforce admin and development. You completed admin and development and you completed some certification there. We both are go for interview. First preference, the companies provide you because the client itself, they directly says, okay, we have a project. So try to get the candidates from who already completed the certification. The first focus is yours. So you're going to attend the interview first. Once you clear the interview, you will get a job opportunity. If I don't have a certification, if I'm not performing well, I'm not get an opportunity. Certification is an added advantage. You can ask me, so if I'm doing the certification, I will not get. Not like that. If you do the certification, it's added advantages. I'm talking about your career break. So try to do certifications, and once you complete the certification and course, if you're technically strong, if you go for the job opportunities, this different background or career gap, the company is not considering. Only technical is the matters. So admin and development up to LWC topic, if you're technically strong, if your performance is really good and capable to handle the management side, definitely you will get a job opportunity.
Okay. Hi, Gerald.
Hi, sir.
Gerald, your question is very straightforward. Your age almost 40 plus, and your children are going for college. If I learn Salesforce, will I get a job opportunity? And what is the package I'm going to get? அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது, see the if you just look at these LinkedIn profiles, இவங்க எல்லாருமே நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா 40+ 50+ ஏஜ் உள்ளவங்க தான். நாகராஜன், விஜித்ராஜ், சத்யா, சோபனா தேவி, செல்வகுரு, இவங்க எல்லாருமே உங்களோட கேட்டகரி தான். All these people's kids are going for college. In fact, Selvaguru oda ponnu, she completing the college.
Okay.
The thing is, it's not at all about the age anymore when it comes to IT. Age is not a barrier. But the question is, suppose if I'm going to hire you, I'm going to hire Gerald. If I'm going to pay 3 LPA, 4 LPA, 5 LPA, how much your request? Okay, you're asking for 4 LPA, I'm going to pay 4 LPA. The question for Gerald is, I'm paying you 4 LPA. How much you can create a revenue for me? As an organization, if I'm hiring you, the expectation is you have to create 10x revenue. If I'm giving you 4 LPA, my expectation is if I hire you and I give you all the facility and all the support, I would expect you to create at least 40 LPA as a revenue. This is the expectation on all the people from all the company. If you have the skill to maximize the revenue of the organization, or if you have the skill to contribute to the growth of the organization, the one who runs the organization, whether it is a simple organization or big organization, they can easily identify you. You are the one reason behind all this stuff, all the growth is happening. They will definitely retain you, no matter whatever it would be the age. Salesforce in Varamodu, you have to start from scratch. Yes, you have to learn from basic. You should learn admin, you should learn development, and you should start learn everything. Then you will figure it out which role I should use. Should I go BA role, QA role, trainer role, consultant role, project manager role? So many roles are there. Considering your age and having a good communication, they will also offer you project manager role. No matter, you don't have to do coding and all. You can manage the project. So basically, end of the day, it's all about you and your mindset. But it will take a time. Considering your past experience and you're from non-IT, 6 months is not at all going to sufficient for you. You will take sometimes more than 8 months. Sometimes you will take 1 year. But within this time frame, right, you may definitely get a good opportunity. But I strongly recommend Salesforce only for people like you who is at this age and also from non-IT background. Choose Salesforce as a career only if you are not in a rush.
Yes.
There is a people recently Anna, I want to get a job now. I have a society pressure. I want to get it into Salesforce now. If you are also in a similar rush, say for Ashok, I am in a society pressure, or I want to make money quickly, then Salesforce is not at all recommend for you, because for you, it is definitely going to take time. It takes time. So if you are not at all in a rush, but you want to learn something, Ashok, I enjoy learning. I want to build my application. I want to try this software development. I want to see IT. I want to go and get into this. Money making is not my cup of tea, but I want experience. I want to learn something more. I want to build my own product. If I'm getting a byproduct of money or whatever it is, I'm okay. Appadina, for people at this age and coming from non-IT background, I would suggest Salesforce. But if you are in a rush, want to make money, then it is not for you.
Yes, sir. Understood. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gerard.
Thank you, Gerard.
Thank you, Ashok. Thank you, Wilson. I hope you got clarified, right?
Yes, sir.
Santosh, in the meantime, I think it's a good time to start the quiz. People will start the quiz and yes, answer the question and get the opportunity to attend that 7 days trial program. And Q&A will continue even after the quiz. So whoever have a question, you can stay back and answer stay back and ask your question. But use this moment to grab that 7 days of free trial training from AJSD. And if you are in Chennai, we are providing this free 7 days trial in offline as well. You can come to our offline classroom and get the free 7 days trial training. So over to the team going to conduct the quiz.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Ashok. Yeah, Mr. Harish will be going to conducting the quiz now. So quiz link will be shared in the chat very soon. Over to you, Mr. Harish.
So hi everyone, I'm Harish. I'm working here as a career consultant. So I'm going to share the quiz link here. So what I would expect is you just need to log in with your name and your last 4 digit of your phone number. So then only we can identify and we can finalize the winner. So I'm going to share the link now. So just make it use of it.
Before sharing, Harish, is there any time limit for the quiz?
Yeah, every participant should complete the quiz within 5 minutes. So then on whomever is completing the quiz first, yeah, top 10 will be choose for the 7 days trial. So you have to answer the quiz as soon as possible. Then only we can finalize the winners.
And one more thing, as I suggest to you, don't within 5 minutes. You please try to provide the more correct answers. That is very important here. So first is not important. More correct answer is very important. So make use of the 5 minutes and try to give the more correct answers. Thank you.
So I'm going to share now. So as I said, you have to completely log in with your full name with last 4 digit of your phone number. So I have posted the link in the message, guys. So just make use of it.
So right now the time is 12:47. So 1:53 we are going to find this quiz. What is 53? 5 minutes of time.
So I'm going to share the screen and to show the quiz. So you have to rename your. Just let me know everyone should join the session. Then only we can able to enter into the quiz. So as of now, I am getting 38 responses. So in our meet, uh, 59 I'm watching this week. So just try to attend everyone. Then only we can able to finalize the sessions.
People, you can turn off the sound or music in the quiz so that it will not disturb you. People who were joined, turn off the voice or sound on your right side. That is a voice or music. You can turn off so that you can hear what we are speaking. Yeah, over to you, Harish.
Yeah. So also kindly ensure that your name with 4 digit phone number, because I couldn't see some of the people has changed the name. So just try to do with your name and last 4 digit of your phone number. Yeah. So name is also okay, but we want your short name and last 4 digit phone number. Then only we can finalize the winners. So as of now, 39 candidates have entered into the session. So we are waiting for some. Till 12:50. So 1 minute more. Just try to join all the participants in the Google Meet so that we can start. So once I started the quiz, so questions will appear. You have to choose the best answer. So choose the best answer. You have to choose, and then I will move to the second question. Some 30 seconds I will allow for the question. So each and every question you will be having some 30 seconds. After that 30 seconds, the next question will appear. So once you click the answer, you can't able to change the next question. So just ensure that whichever the answer you are choosing, it will be right. So as of now, I received 47. So I couldn't see 10 members, rest of the 10 members. Okay, so I'm going to start the quiz now. Kindly put it in the chat. Should I start the quiz?
So you can just at least tell yes, yes. At least you can type yes. Okay, okay. Thank you, Soil. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Please go ahead, Vishal. Please be ready, guys.
So, first question is: Salesforce is primarily a
Okay, no problem. But where question.
கடைசியில அதுக்குள்ள நம்ம மாத்திடணும். மாத்திட்டேன். Class. So I hope everyone completed the quiz.
You can share the screen. यार जेतन करीली है.
So we are not going to reveal here, bro. So first 3 participants we are revealing here, but remaining 7 we will share to there.
Okay, congratulations Hitesh, Rosal, Kaushik, Yamuna, Ram, Ajmal. First 10 Harish.
ஆமா bro.
Okay, okay.
So
அப்படியே அவருக்கு ஏஜேக்கும் கொடுத்துருங்க ஒரு 7 days trial.
So these are the first 10 peoples.
Congratulations everyone. Please get in
Thank
touch
you
with our career counseling team. Team, you can share our WhatsApp number in the chat so that they can get in touch with us and they can climb that 7 days free trial training with us.
Yeah, sure. So hope everyone completed this, and I'm getting the message that says that I want the course methodology and how the training will work. Should I explain, guys? Okay. Yes, thank you. So I'm going to explain how our training methodology will work. Like throughout the training, how you are going to learn here and how we are going to give the placement, guaranteed placement reference. So I'll explain
Harish,
now.
you can stop your screen sharing and you can.
No, I'm just going to share the screen with our spreadsheet. Like.
Okay, got it.
So once you join in our institution, we will give you an Excel sheet. So first I'll explain you. We have a full course, like both admin and development we will cover. So whatever the curriculum we are covering here in our website, our curriculum will be there. So you can just go through that. Throughout the course, we will be covering Salesforce admin, advanced admin, development, Apex, advanced effects, other development, Salesforce Lightning, Salesforce integration, Lightning web component, and then we are going to cover the Salesforce real-time projects and Salesforce certification guidance. So I'll explain you with the spreadsheet. So how you are going to learn here in this through the curriculum. So once you are enrolling in the course, we will be sharing you this Google Sheet, and then now we have implemented the LMS as well. So the both we will share you to you. So once you join the course, you will be watching the step by step of our pre-recorded videos. So it's like a pre-recorded videos you're going to watch, and you have to mention that which date you have starting watching that video, and you have to take a notes to your understanding and trainer understanding, because he have to evaluate you. So each and every topics you're going to do the use cases and case studies, and the trainer will be assessing you, and he will give you some trainers comments and ratings. So which will give you the idea of how much you have the understanding about the each and every concepts. So I'll tell you how you are going to attend the Q&A session with the trainer. So what you are going to do is, first you are going to watch the video, and then parallelly every day you are going to attend a Q&A session with your trainer in live 1 hour. So I'll explain you how it will work. So in our AJSD, we have a separate channel called Zoho Click. So in this Zoho Click, we will give you the access. In this access, you will be getting Q&A session access and co-learner and some of our advantages. I'll explain you step by step. So once you have enrolled, we will give you one slot. Like each and every trainees will get one slot of the Q&A. So as a we can assume that I have work here. So I'm also going to study Salesforce. So I just want, I don't have a time to learn here, right? I mean, morning 9 to 7, we can't learn. So we can fix one time for us. So it's like I want night 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So like that Q&A we can pick. We have morning 6 to night 10 p.m. Q&As. So based on your flexible timings, you can choose any Q&A and you can clarify your doubts with the industry experts. So this is one session. So if you are taking a 7:30 p.m. session in the evening, so you are going to attend the session with the trainer, and whatever the topics you have covered and whatever the case studies you have complete, you are going to share the screen with the trainer, and you are going to explain how you have done, and the trainer will correct your mistakes and he will upskill your knowledge. So it will be very useful for the trainee who attending our course to get a in-depth idea about each and every topics and DIY modules. So trainees can ask that daily 1 hour only I can get with your institution. Is it fair like that? So we have a supporting session called co-learner session. So you can engage here minimum of 3 to 4 hours a day. So we will conduct. Why this co-learner session? What is this co-learner? So in this co-learner, all the existing trainees and one assistant trainer will be there. So you are going to, whatever the doubts you are having, so you can clarify with the trainer. Like in this session, morning 8 a.m., 11 and 3 and night. So 4 timings it will be there. So you are going to attend this session for your doubts and clarifies. So we have overall 5 hours to engage you with your doubts and queries to clarify your all these things. Also we can tell that in this click you will be getting more and more advantages, like workshops, live workshops we will conduct. So recent times we have conducted AI workshops. So as a Salesforce workforce tied up partner, so we are providing the advanced AI topics. So in these topics we will give you the basic things. So each and every workshops, why we are conducting workshop means more and more in-depth learning. So if a candidate is completing the admin, after that he want to start with the development. So in that time you can go to this Apex Basic Learner. You can watch all the recorded videos. Also we will conduct the live workshops as well. So during some some time sessions we will conduct all the workshops like Apex, Lightning Flows, whichever the whomever the candidate in some specific topic, they can go to this workshop and they can upskill themselves. Also only workshops you are conducting. So what about my personality development, and what about my interpersonal skills, everything. So for all these things we are conducting life skill sessions. So what is this life skill? I came to study only for a technical, so why I need to learn life skill? So in this life skill, why we are providing the extra activity to trainees means they nowadays we are not able to communicate with another one. So we have technically strong, but to communicate people, it is more important to communicate. So we are conducting all these sessions like meditation, affirmation, whom we want to say gratitude. We usually won't say gratitude, like right. So our mothers are daily cooking food. So we are usually as a like their duty, their responsibility, like that they will think. But if you are going to abroad and all, mean no one will cook. So you have to manage yourself. So that's why we are want to thank them. We should thank them like that. So also we are engaging with you LinkedIn tips. Like wow, LinkedIn is a important platform that you can be viewed by the employer. Like we will yeah, so we will be doing some LinkedIn sessions with our trainees, existing trainees, and we can see the outcome, how the LinkedIn works. So I'm just showing one profile to you, so we can understand how this profile varies from you. So we are going to teach you the LinkedIn about your personality development. So nowadays, what is our problem is like we know something, but we won't show them. Showcase is very much important nowadays. So how we are presenting us is very much important in the IT market and everywhere, non-IT fresher everywhere. So showcasing is very much important. So how we are going to do whatever we are doing the projects, and our about says what we are, so what we did, so everything we are going to engage with you. And in this particular click session, you are going to learn interview tips, like whatever the questions are rolling out in the market, you will be getting in this session. So you will be you can you can consistently learn all the interview questions throughout the market of Salesforce. So coming back to our this tracker sheet, Google sheet. So in this Google sheet, first you are going to do an admin part. So in this admin part, you are going to watch the video and you are going to attend the Q&A session with your trainer. So you will be having a 5 type of assessment with us. So we can learn all the topics and theories, but when coming to assessment part, it will be difficult to we how we are going to explain all the things. That is very much difficult. So that's why we are having all these stages to complete. Then you can able to easily understand and explain to the interviewer. So that's why we are having this type of assessments. So first you are going to complete admin part, then you are going to complete a development part. So after that, I have completed admin and development. So then what I need to do? So you have to do the real-time project. As Ashok said, we have 3 projects like insurance, e-commerce, and manufacturing sector. So you have to choose anyone and you have to complete throughout the end-to-end project. So this end-to-end project will help you to understand how the real world IT works. So you are going to work individually. So it will be it will very it will be very helpful to you to understand how all these things will work. So after that, we will give you the resume preparation and LinkedIn profile preparation, and then 2 mock interviews you are going to attend. So after the 5 assessment, you are going to attend the mock interview. So based on the trainer's availability, you are going to attend the mock interviews. After that, we will give you the guaranteed placement assistance so that you can able to place. So in this all training methodology and click access channel, if you have any doubt, means now you can ask, clarify with me.
In this part, have we covered about the LMS, Harish?
No.
No problem.
No,
Let
sir.
me share my screen. So recently we have introduced the LMS. Okay, one of you please put yourself on mute. Okay. Recently in AJSD we have introduced the LMS structure instead of the spreadsheets. Now we have this world-class LMS which is available with us, and all these learnings you are going to, whether it is Tamil or English, you are going to learn in LMS, and you simply go and access the course, and in that LMS you have the course. What under the course you have to learn and study the videos and the study materials which is going to available. Of course, it is a pre-recorded video, and watch the video, learn the scripting with the trial. And you can also verify your learning progress in this LMS, and you can also attend the live sessions. Currently, we are conducting the Apex Bootcamp in this LMS, where you can also attend the workshop, and you can also submit your assessment, and we have the team to evaluate your assessment. Everything is going to be available within this LMS stuff, right? So the intention is we got so much options to ensure you learn, upskill, and also do that in a consistent way. We have a track says that whether you study it properly or not, or whether you are joining the sessions regularly or not. We have a team, and we also using AI features where to track all the things to ensure that you are getting enough support to complete your learning as soon as possible. So we are pretty much conducting online sessions and also offline session. Maybe Harish is going to explain you all the stuff. End of the day, we'll ensure if you are able to attend our sessions like you're attending today, whether it is online or offline, we'll ensure you get the things with a clarity, and you also got the opportunity to learn everything right from the basics and the hands-on experience. That ultimately going to help you to get the job. All right. Thank you. Yes, go ahead, Harish.
Ashok, I just want to add one thing before Harish start that one. Shall I, Harish? Before I just want to share one thing.
Sure.
Okay, fine. See, whatever Harish explained to you, there is a one thing is very, very important. So most of the persons are firstly inquired about the Salesforce and other job opportunity, everything. So my request is, we kindly request you, we have a social medias like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and the Insta, everything there. We request you to follow that. So after the end of the meeting, our team will sharing our LinkedIn. Please be join on the session. So definitely that going to helpful for you as well as your related persons. If not going to work out for you, some other related person going to helpful for you. Please join that. Whenever we are getting the job placements, whenever you are any updates from the Salesforce, we are usually posting all the updates in our LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is the main hub for to get the job opportunity in Salesforce. You will get a company company openings, everything, and also company itself and HR itself also focusing on you from through LinkedIn. So if you already done 8 certification, 7 certification, directly type it, okay, this person complete this certification. Okay, we can approach for the interview. So LinkedIn is very, very important to get the job opportunity in the Salesforce in all aspects. So end of the meeting, our team is going to share our links. We request you, everybody is joining on our channels. That is very important for you related to the Salesforce. Thank you so much. Harish, you please continue.
Sure. Okay, thank you so much. So as I told all this training methodology and everything, so I'm going to continue how we are doing the online and offline sessions. So well, coming to both online and online, everything is same. So whatever the assistance we are giving in this session, like in this course, it will be the same. So there is no any other difference in the all the click channels. So you are going to watch the videos and you are going to attend the Q&A session with your trainer. And more than Q&A, if you have any doubts, queries, you are just going to attend the co-learner session. So in these all sessions, you need to engage with yourself throughout the 6 months. So then only you can able to learn each and every topics in depth. So for coming to the offline class, what is the main specifications you are going to learn here is like stay focused. Like what is the difference between online and offline is it's totally up to the candidate who is engaging with them. Like if the candidate is coming to offline, he is going to learn here till morning 9 to evening 7 with the existing trainees, and floor assistant will be there. So whenever you have a doubt, you are going to clarify with your floor assistant and Q&A and co-learner. So it will be very useful for you. Also, we will separate you as a team, so you are going to do all the projects and case studies with the team, so it will be more helpful, right? So that's why we are encouraging the candidate, like if you are a fresher or career gap, so you guys can come to the offline class, so you can utilize that. But yeah, so also for a working professionals, we can understand that you can't come to on a offline class, and you can't come, you can't able to learn 9 hours, 10 hours. So that's why all these click channels is there, so you can engage yourself with all the Q&As and everything. So if a candidate is coming to offline, we can assure that in all these topics he can complete each and every period he can complete the sessions, like that we can tell, because he is going to be here morning 9 to evening 7. So in a online means the candidate will be not stay focused, maybe I can't tell that. So that's why the online and offline course differs. Also, if you are coming to classroom, you will be getting the added advantage of, we have one software company called Digicast Private Limited India. So in this company, you will be getting a minimum of 3 months to maximum of 6 months internship certificate. So this certificate will be the added advantage for you to crack your interview. So like every skills and things, everything is same to online and offline. What we are providing is, right, everything is same, but the added advantage is the internship certificate. Also, we are going to provide the internship in off online as well. So we have the plan to do it. It will be the announcement will be coming soon. So I think as of now, I have completed both online and offline. So about the training methodology, and then the online and offline classes. If you have any doubts, kindly just raise your hand and we can able to assist you.
Thank you for explanation, Mr. Harish. So we have shared Harish number as well in the chat. Yeah, please. So any doubts? Anyone is having doubts as of now regarding our training methodology? Yes, Sai.
Hello.
Yeah, Sai, please.
Yeah. So as I asked earlier, I'm already a support lead. So I mainly lead maintenance projects, but I want to become a solution or techno-functional architect. So I want to gain coding perfect coding knowledge. Not like I already know basics and I go and debug the issues and fix only that part, but I didn't write code from the scratch, even though I have almost 8 years experience in leading the Salesforce projects. So now all that I need when I am looking outside opportunities or inside even our company opportunities, I should move on to development side. Either I should choose this career or front-end application development, which is like a React Native. So why to lose my Salesforce experience and go for other technologies? That's why I thought of learning coding skills, perfect LWC and Apex. So will your course help me?
Yeah, sure. So I would like to explain your question. So what we are providing the courses, like in this Salesforce, all this curriculum, you can learn on 4 to 6 years of experienced knowledge. So what we are providing the curriculum, right? So you are going to learn the 4 to 6 years of experience knowledge with the real use cases and real-time projects, so that you can ensure that all the, you are coming to the development part and LWC, everything in advance you are going to learn. So definitely you can try for the next level of a development or a solution architect. But what the thing is, you have to do more and more real-time projects. That is the main thing. You have to focus now. Like if you know admin part and then a development part, as you said a little bit, I know about the coding and all. So you have to move to the depth. Like we have a things called POC, proof of concept. So once you are completing the admin and development part, if you are willing to do a role in our academy or in our office, means you can do the POC. In this POC, you have to engage yourself by morning to evening, as you were going to work in somewhere, right? So you can do the project with us. We are doing some charity.
Can you please someone make on mute?
So we are doing some charity welfare projects. So in that projects, you can engage with yourself and you can complete all the things as you have choose, or development or architect or whatever the roles you are going to choose. You can accommodate yourself with that skills so that you can showcase your skill to the interviewer.
Okay. That means I'll be able to make it, right? With the, if I follow all these real-time projects, if I involve in these real-time projects, I'll be able to make it.
Sai,
Hi, Sai.
sorry, Ashok, sorry to interrupt. Sai, I think we both discussed on over the call. So today I only informed you to join the session. No problem. I give you the clarity. As Harish given is example is correct, but what we suggest is that there is no specific curriculum for the architect, solution architect. As Ram said and Ashok said, so this you need to get it as a experience. So as you said, you have only the admin side role. I am doing only support project. Yes, after admin, you try to take the development, try to complete whatever the showing on the screen, the curriculum. Please go through that. And once you are, yesterday also sharing the curriculum, please review the curriculum. If you are technically strong with the development topics, please go for the real-time project. Once you've done, as you said, from your side, your company, there is an internal movement, try to switch it for the development side. Try to get the experience, like 3 to 4 years, or at least 4 years of experience. Ram said it's a 4 years of experience. If you get the real-time 4 years of experience, then you will be good knowledge with the solution architect. That is the final solution who is going to provide for the project. So you will get an experience. But from my side, what your suggestion is, first you please try to improve the development knowledge, then try to do the real-time projects. If you are full time of training, you are working professional, you don't know able to spend for the 8 hours, 9 hours for the full-time project. If you have a part-time, like real-time projects, means e-commerce, manufacturing, insurance, we have a 3 end-to-end projects. Try to do the projects and upskill your knowledge. Then you try to attend the interviews. Once you entered into as a developer, to try to know the end-to-end process. So after that, 3 years, 4 years of experience, definitely you will be switched as a solution architect. But there is no separate curriculum for the solution architect role. So this is my suggestion from my side. Mr. Ashok also give you the complete clarity about the picture in technical way. Thank you. Thank you, Ashok.
Thank you, Harish and Prakash. So basically, Sai, like Prakash mentioned, there is no course for becoming an architect. So architect is something you have to get only by having a good hands-on in project implementation. The more and more you implement projects, you get the roadmap towards solution architect. Say, for example, I'm a client. I'm coming with you a requirement for automation. In Salesforce, you have different automations. Either you go with flow or you go with triggers. So based on the requirement, if you are able to identify which tool I should use, should I go with the flow or should I go with the trigger? Suppose if I'm coming with a bulk update, so how you are going to design your thing, whether you're going to design in a synchronous way or you're going to design in an asynchronous way. So that experience going to help you to become an architect. Of course, the steps to become an architect, first, you should have a strong knowledge on admin, not only development. You should have a strong knowledge on admin. You should have the idea about what we can do in admin, what we cannot do in admin, when we should go for a customization, when we should not go for the customization. So these things you can get only by when you do more implementations. So this course going to help you with lot of use cases for you to practice. The more and more you practice the use cases, like Haris mentioned, you first complete the course, get the use cases, then join with us in the real-time project implementation as a POC or the real project itself. That gives you hands-on. With that experience, yes, you can get, but this will take a time. You have to accept that this is not something can be done within a 3 months or 4 months. Considering you are already working in some other organization, it will take more than even 6 months. So getting into the architect role or getting into the good hands-on, basically you should be in a position to work independently. If I'm giving you the laptop and giving you the BRD, you should start go through the BRD and you should start designing the system, create the data model, and you should start to work on the project all by your own. To reach that level, yes, it takes time, but it is possible.
Okay.
I hope that
Yeah.
clears.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ashok. Thank you. So next question is Nain Sutar. Nain, you can ask your question. Nain.
Yes, good afternoon, Ashok Raj and AGSD team. Thanks for arranging this session. So I have 8 years of career gap and I'm from non-IT background and wanted to switch to now Salesforce. I have a query that if I'm planning to join the course for admin or maybe development, is it like if it will complete that means the syllabus will cover the certification syllabus also, or is there any difference?
Yeah, Mr. Prakash, you can go ahead and explain.
Sorry. Once again, repeat your questions. I understand you have said your career gap. You please continue.
If I join the course in AJSD, and if I want to do side by side the certifications also, will it be completed in the course syllabus, or should again I have to study differently for the certifications that you are providing?
Okay, fine. So first I give you the clarity about the whether it's admin or development. First I give you the clarity for everyone. So admin is the base part. One who know the admin very well up to the relationship topic we have. So who know very well, they can do the development part. Development configuration, that is customer. Configuration is the administration part. And some things we are not able to do in the configuration, we have to do it a separate way called customization. That is development part, programming side. So if first you have to basic level, you have to complete admin, then you have to move on to the development. So this is process. So what usually we suggesting for the trainees, so once they completed the curriculum, take an example. In admin, if you completed, you can do the admin certification. When you come to the development, you can do the platform developer and platform developer too. But usually we suggest for the trainees, when you go for the certification preference, it will take like literally 1 month of time period for the preparation. So once you completed the curriculum entirely, admin and development, you can do the entire certification of admin and PD1, PD2 like that on the end of the course. But somebody is in a hurry, like I want to complete, there is an admin opening there, I want to do the certification, they are asking like the trainees. So what we usually suggest is try to complete the admin curriculum. That admin curriculum is really enough to prepare for your certification. Along with this, what you have to do is once you done the admin courses, you please check with your trainer. They will suggest you some important forum. Please refer that for your preparation. That will be really helpful to crack the examination. Second thing is, we just posted our certified candidates who already cleared the certification admin and development. We post our certification with the LinkedIn ID. You also please cross check with them. So what are the important things? What are the important topics you received at the time of examination? Definitely they will help you. If you're AJST trainee, definitely they will help you out. Please check with them and prepare for your examination. Then you please attend the exam. Definitely you can crack the certification, because most of the trainees who are completed the course, they get the assistance from the trainer and senior students and then apply for the examination. They can easily crack the certification. You can do the simultaneously, or you can do the certification at the end of the course, because you need some more time to prepare for the certification. That is very important. So you can do it simultaneously or end of the code. Which one is more convenient for you, you can do it. Why we are thinking about if you're completing admin and if you are starting for the certification, it will take some times. So that gap will not be going to close your development part. So that's why whatever you are doing the fast learning, admin and development, finally, if you are doing the certification, that is good. And based on your requirement also, you please do the certifications.
And one more question I wanted to know that, is there any remote jobs available now in Salesforce, as I'm having a baby now? So just wanted to have the information.
Okay.
Is it
See,
possible?
I understand. Completely understand your question. See, remote job is based on the individual performance and disciplinary as well as the technically strong. I just to give you a simple example. When you go for the interview, so if you are attend the interview, if you are a technically strong person, if you are able to handle the projects without other technical people support, if the trainer, if the interview person or the company considered one, most of the companies will consider your work from home opportunity. But few of the company clients also have some requirements. So I need a candidate who is ready to work in the organization for my project. If they provided that kind of opportunity, definitely based on the client requirement, you have to go for the office. Some companies will accept that also. They will check their candidate individual capable without other technical people support. They are able to do the work without other people support. They can do the work or not. They can validate everything at the time of interview. In the time of interview, if you raise your request, if the company and the interview person they are considered your request, might be they will provide the work from home opportunity. Because after COVID, most of the, I'm frankly telling, most of the COVID, after COVID, most of the women employees are doing the work from home opportunity. Very
Yes.
few of the companies are asking to get back to the job to the office, but it's possible. But the mainly thing is they are first technically validate your skills. If you are completely do the job without other technical support, and they are asking about the reporting progress, how you are doing the report, how you are working, how you are logging, everything they are just to validate that one. If you are technically good with all those things, definitely some of the company will accept your work from home opportunity.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Nayan, to answer your question,
Yes.
both one is regarding the certification, and second is regarding your employment.
Yes.
Like Prakash mentioned, this tool, Zogo Click, where you are going to interact with all the AJSD folks, close to 500 plus people are already here. So whenever anyone completes certification, they are going to mention here. Say, for example, if you want to do this certification, you can get in touch with Arun. You just go and ping Arun. Hey, Arun, I just saw you that you just completed the certification. Could you please guide me? How did you do that? Not only from the fellow. So what we are creating is a community. Within this community, you can get a support from anyone. Of course, apart from that, we are also conducting live Q&A sessions every day, where you can see this is a 8:30 a.m. live Q&A session, where the trainer can also be available in live. With this trainer, you can get in touch with the trainer and you can ask your question related to certification. I'm preparing for this certification. What are the other materials should I use? Whatever we are covering, part of our training, the curriculum we are covering, it is more than enough for you to clear any certification. But apart from that, Sales was also giving a trailhead platform. So there are a few more other platforms that are going to help us to prepare for the certification, including this community. So clearing the certification is not going to be very big deal, because that is something you can get it done for sure, because clearing a Salesforce certification is not an issue. But getting a work from home job, take a look at this profile, Satya. So her daughter is now joining college. So and she got her first job as a remote job. But how did she got it? She is active in LinkedIn. You just go and check her LinkedIn profile. She's very active, and that actually helped her to get the remote job. Not AJSD gave her the remote job. As Prakash mentioned, if someone is going to give you the remote job, it's completely depends upon your skill level, and also you demonstrate, yes, I got the skill, I can do the job all by my own. How you can convince someone? You cannot convince someone just by attending an interview or doing an interview performance. Look at her. She has been very active in LinkedIn for all these months, right from the day she started started her learning progress. She's active in LinkedIn. There are company executives, CEOs, HR of the organizations. They are able to see her profile. By seeing her activeness, and they come to know, okay, she got a very good Salesforce knowledge, and they reach her in person in the LinkedIn, and they provided her a remote job. She is from Dindigul, Tamil Nadu, and she got an opportunity from the Mumbai-based organization, the first company, completely remote. She worked there for a remote organization. So work from home opportunity is there, but it is up to you how you are going to gain the trust of your employer, who is going to give you this opportunity. In some other cases, they will ask you to come for the company for 3 months or 4 months, and you go there and you showcase your potential, and they will gain that. You gain their trust. Then you can request for the work from home. It is possible, because end of the day, there is no need you should go for the office to work in Salesforce. Salesforce is a cloud technology. You can work from anywhere, and all that you need a laptop and browser to do that. But to give you that work from home opportunity, you should gain the trust of your employer. The trust all about, yes, Nayan can handle the customer all by her own. Nayan can send email all by her own. Nayan can do development all by her own without anyone's support. Nobody need to monitor her. She is a very responsible person. Nobody need to follow her. She can take the ownership. If you can give that trust to your employer, work from home is definitely possible. But you have to put additional effort.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ashok. Thank you, Nayan. So next is Karthikaya. You can ask Karthika.
Hello, hi. Actually, I'm also in abroad. I have 2 years of experience in the front-end web developer. I also have a career gap of 3 years. So now I start learning Salesforce developing app means how long will it take? And also I have a doubt that I can also get a remote job because I'm in abroad. How long will it take to learn as a developer?
Kartika, coming to your question, so may I know previously which background you worked?
Front-end web developer, Angular.
Okay, fine. So that means you are completely new.
In backend C# and SQL.
Okay, so fine. So you are completely new to Salesforce. You are completely new to the admin and development, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. It's based on individuals. As we very beginning said, Ramanagar, it's literally it will take time duration for the minimum of 6 months to 8 months duration to complete the course, admin and development. So it's based on individual also. See, if their person is spending for full-time training, there is a 2 option called trainees. One is called full-time trainees, another one is called the part-time trainees. Somebody is coming to the classroom training, or somebody is taking the training from the online, who is going to spend for 8 hours per day, weekly 40 hours if they are spending the time for, means possibly if they already have some programming knowledge background like JavaScript, HTML, CSS, means it will comes around 6 months of duration to complete the course. If somebody is not the programming knowledge person, so start from scratch from here in AJ skill development from the programming side, means it will comes around 7 to 8 months of duration. And the scenario 2, if the person is a part-time learner, like the if somebody is a housewife, like they're taking care of the children, or they are able to spend only 2 hours. Somebody is a working person, part-time working profession, they're able to spend at least 2 to 3 hours per day. That is the maximum time they can spend for learning, means it comes around 9 to 10 months of duration. Honestly, I'm saying it will comes. And based on individuals also, and how fast you are understanding the concept. So if you are spending daily 2 to 3 hours per day, regular basis, and your understanding is very fast, you are practicing very fast, you are getting the review with the trainer is very fast, per day you are completing 2 topics, like that, you also possibly can complete the course within 6 months of duration. It's based on purely individuals, how fast we are grab the knowledge, how fast we are understanding the concept, how fast we are getting the review from the trainer. The course completion is based on the individual, but the minimum duration of the course is like 6 months to 8 months of duration to complete the course. If you don't have any breaks, like 1 month, 15 days, any breaks, if you are not taking any breaks, definitely you can complete the course within 6 months of duration to 8 months of duration, admin and development part. So this is comes to the course duration. Coming to the work from home, as I said to the previous requester, see, work from job is based on the individuals. So you said you are from abroad, so some of the companies might they are expecting the work from option is that during that time. So if I'm inside India, so my work from opportunity, if I'm going to provide one candidate, means definitely the candidates I need from the morning times, morning 9 a.m. to 6 a.m. like that. They have to report to our office to 9 a.m. to 6 a.m. Some of the companies definitely they are expecting. If the sum of the companies, okay, you are from the high level role, you are right doing the managerial role or the technical role, you have to only do the reportings. So day by day you are doing the progress, and day by day you are monitoring your progress, only you are doing the report, means Possibly, if you are technically strong person, means you also get the job opportunity from the abroad. Some of the companies might accept your work from home opportunity. Only thing is you have to monitor the process, you have to technically, because regular basis of productivity, regular basis of you are doing something means you have to report on that time. If something you are doing the monitoring progress, if you are doing the managerial roles means definitely if you are expecting the work from, I'm right now in abroad, the project is in inside India, so I want the experience, so that's why I'm applying for the job means they will first check your profile. So you're going to do the only reporting work, you're just managing the project. These kinds of things, if you're requesting, definitely some of the companies are providing the work from home opportunities.
Okay.
It's based on roles. It's based on roles.
Okay. Thank you, Prakash. Thank you, Karthik. I hope you got clarified, right?
Ashok, do you want to add anything in this scenario?
I think we have already covered the same. Regarding the work from home, we just informed the same, right? So, yeah. Move on. Let's move on to the next question.
Yeah, okay. So I think hope everyone, so we don't have any other questions as of now. So hope we have clarified all questions. Is there anyone who would like to have any doubts?
Somebody asked me to show that Apex code, and I'm not sure whether the person is still there. Do anybody want me to show how the Apex works or the development works?
Wahida Sheikh has raised her hand. Yeah, Wahida, please, you can ask a question, Wahida.
She's the one asked about Apex example, Ashok.
Oh, Apex example.
Saeed
Okay, let me quickly share. So if you want to know how this Apex thing works, you go to links, Salesforce, and I hope my screen is visible. So here we have developer console, but now you can also connect the Salesforce org with the Visual Studio as well. Basically, we are the classic way of handling this development. So this is how the console will looks like. And if you are going to do any coding, so we'll be using the coding. This will looks like this. That's pretty straightforward coding. Let me show some of the codings which we have created. It's an object-oriented programming language. It comes with class, method, and this stuff. So how it works in general, we use MVC architect, model view controller. Let me take the same example we have been using. If it is FCA, so in that, if I'm going to get any company information from the FCA, because this is a Salesforce, this application is built on Salesforce. If I'm going to give any company information over here, just Barclay and select this, the moment I hit the search button, at the back end, there is a class created, right? That class will be called at the back end. And that particular class will pull the data from the database. Look at the data. It will capture the data from the database and it pass it to the UI. And you will get the data here. This is nothing but the account data, like the one we got here. So this is how it will looks like. I hope this helps. Any questions?
Hi, Ashok. Hi, Prakash. Thank you for clarifying. My name is Wahida. I joined a bit late, so I'm not sure if this my question is already covered or not. I'm also from abroad and I am having IT career gap. So, like you already explained about the like opportunities outside India, but my question is like, do you provide any support for job reference, like how you do in India? You have a tie-ups with a few of the companies and then you refer your trainees there, right? So do you have any provision like that for candidates who are in US or UK? I'm basically from, I'm currently in US, so I just wanted to know. If it is already covered, I'm sorry, I joined a bit late today. Thank you.
No problem, Ida. Yes, Ashok already covered that one. Actually, in abroad, we don't have any tie-ups companies. So what usually we are doing is somebody is from abroad candidates who willing to take the course means we are giving the technically curriculum like admin and development. Once they completed the course, we have to inform them to do the real-time projects for the hands-on, technically strong. Because when comes to the abroad, most of the companies are looking for the real-time scenario candidates who is already have a working knowledge in Salesforce, who is having the hands-on knowledge, live experience. These kinds of things they are going to ask at the time of interview. That's why after completion the course, we suggest you the candidate try to do certification, real-time projects, these kinds of we suggested. So up to interview level, take an example. If you completed everything up to interview level preparation, we can assist you. You can directly go there, interview, and you can perform there. So, but we don't have any tie-ups there. But if the candidate is inside India, along with this, we can assist you for the job referral because we have some tie-ups with the Chennai and Bangalore location. So based on the company opening, the candidates, the companies are requesting resources from our academy. We can refer the candidates who inside India. From abroad candidate, we can assist the candidates up to the interview preparation. They're going to finally perform their interview. That is very important. If they apply for the job, if there are any consultancy, as Ashok said, there is a consultative way you have to apply for the job in abroad, consultancy. So if some of the consultancy you applied for that, if you are getting job interview opportunities means we can do for your up to interview preparation. You can do go on perform very well. That is very important from your side.
Okay. Adding to that, like once we not immediately after we complete the course and do the projects like the real time projects. So what do you feel whether the candidate will be able to, if take my example, will I be able to perform on my own if I crack the interview?
Okay, that the mock interview will provide the clear clarity because after completion, the 5 steps of level, if you complete that, you can attend one mock interview from our side. So the technical experts, the trainer will validate your technical skills, how much you are technically strong with the admin and development topics. This admin and development topics knowledge is going to crack your company interview or not. After completion of the mock interview, the trainer also going to provide the feedback. In case if the trainer says, I'm going to attend the interview in abroad, what are the things I need to improve apart from this mock interview? You can get the suggestion from them. Definitely the trainer will assist you more on that. Based on the trainer guidance, if you follow that, you can easily crack the interview. Mock interview is very, very important one to crack the company interviews. So you please focus on mock interview. Once you join the course, please complete the course and try to clear the mock interview. That is very, very important one. So that time you can easily understand whether we are going to crack the company interviews or not in abroad. The trainer will give you the complete clarity on that.
Okay, sure. And one more thing, you might be having data of similar candidates like what my situation, like who have taken training in abroad and then who are able to successfully get a job. So if do you have any contacts or a group where like people like me can refer to them and take advice or guidance from them?
Yeah, we have a separate group. I think Mr. Ashok is going to present that one. So we have a for abroad UAE and Europe, we have a separate group. So all the candidates are available on the particular group. Mr. Ashok is sharing that one and he will give you the complete picture.
Is my screen is visible for you, Vagita?
Yeah.
Okay. See, basically, when it comes to US, it is unlike India. Yes, you have to approach consultants. The consultants are the one going to refer you for the opportunity. This is a typical situation in US. So consultants, what in generally they will do, they will add 1 year, 2 year, 4 year, 5 years, some years of experience, they will add it in the resume, and that's how they will refer your profile to the organizations, right? So that referring to the job will be taken care of by the consultant. And also here we have a forum where we are having close to 200 plus people from USA. They're all being with us for the last 6 years, where you can come and get the support, and also you will get referrals from the US people. That internal referrals and other things. But what we cannot do is we cannot give a guarantee. It says that we will definitely give you the referrals for the US. That job referral for USA, we don't provide guarantee, but job referrals in India, we provide guarantee. But how we are helping the people from US and abroad candidates, like Prakash mentioned, will ensure that you get the complete clarity about all the topics and you enroll for our live projects with the DigiCast. That will definitely give you the real-time hands-on experience. That is more than enough for you to work for any organization, because clearing the job interview is not a very big deal. You can clear it like anything, but working independent in that particular job is much important, because the day 1, day 2, you are going to work independent. That will tell the people whether you really have the knowledge on that or not. So that is something That knowledge part, we can take care. We'll ensure that you get the complete knowledge about the implementation of the Salesforce project, admin development, that covers whatever the curriculum we are covering. But knowledge enhancement, knowledge upskilling, we can take care, and we have done that for many people part of US. But job referrals within US, yes, you have to take it all by your own, or you can get the community support from AJSD.
Oh, yeah, that will help. Sure. Thank you, Ashok. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Vahida. So Mr. Lokesh is here. Yeah, Mr. Lokesh, you can ask your question.
Yeah, hi all. We can enroll in the course whenever we want, or it is going by batches wise thing.
It's online only, Lokesh. Anytime you can enroll. There is no any particular batch for that. But if you are offline, then obviously we have a batch for offline. We have particular dates and all. So you are going to take by online or offline? What's your plan, Lokesh?
Yeah, I need to plan that, and I will tell you.
Sure. You can take your time, and we have shared the inquiry form as well. So you can fill out the form and you can reach out to our team. They will assist you, no problem. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Sure. Thank you, Mr. Lokesh. So is there anyone who would like to ask questions or any doubts? People, we have almost 20 plus. Yes, please.
Okay, just a reminder only. So as I said earlier, we already shared our chats in our social media links as well as in the WhatsApp group. We suggest you please join that particular all the social media. That will be really helpful for you, the Salesforce updates and as well as the AJ skill development updates. So please join on the particular social medias. Thank you.
Can you please share the fee structure for the course?
Yeah, Nirajan, we have a multiple subscription for the course, like individual course, full course. So what we suggest is we shared the inquiry link to your particular chat, right? The Google Meet as well as we are going to share through that WhatsApp group. Please fill it out the inquiry form. You will get instantly through the automated email the complete brochure. It containing all the details like scores, duration, timing, fee structure, curriculum, and the companies and corporate companies what we are giving the training. Everything is available there. Just to go through it, and one of our associate will assign your record, and they give you the complete picture about the course and duration and fee structure, everything, because we have multiple subscriptions.
Okay, maybe Niranjan, whether you are part of that WhatsApp group, our WhatsApp channel, which is created for this particular career guidance session.
Yes.
Okay, guys, why don't you post that brochure link or the PDF in that channel so that people can refer if they have any questions, they can get back to you.
Sure. Okay, Ashok, we will do the Canvas link to the particular group.
Yes. So Niranjan, please refer the brochure, which is we are going to post it in the WhatsApp channel. Anyway, the session we are going to be there for next 5 to 10 minutes max. So go through the brochure. Who are asking for the fee structure, please go through the brochure we have posted in the WhatsApp group, and that mentioned the course duration, fee structure, and everything. If you have any questions, maybe you can ask here. First,
Sure.
please go through that. Then you please come back and ask. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so is there anyone need to have any doubts, guys? So we have a few more minutes. We can able to wind up, and I have to say the answers. So hope we have covered all the topics and all the doubts, whatever you are asking regarding non-IT to IT freshers, job openings, and our training methodology, and the career gaps. Is there anyone who would like to ask any questions?
We are in the last 2 minutes, and the session started by 10. So 11, 12, 1, 2. It's been 4 hours. கூலி படத்தை விட ரொம்ப லென்த்தா போயிட்டு இருக்கு. கொஞ்சம் முடிச்சு வச்சீங்கன்னா நல்லா இருக்கும். Yes.
Thank you.
Hello, sorry to interrupt. Actually, whatever the course that we take, will you be providing the like real-time project? Like if I don't take admin course and I directly jump onto development and then advanced development, will then also you'll be covering these real-time projects and all question and answers, everything, right?
Sai, for enrolling individual course, as I said, the part-time project, right? The e-commerce, manufacturing, these folder access you will not get it. When you go for the full course package, you will get the entire access for the project folder access also. What we usually suggest is after the call, I will share the curriculum to you. Review the curriculum. In case if you need to brush up any topic in the lightning flows or advanced admin, you can enroll for the full course package. Then you will get all the access in that particular package. When you want to go for only individual development part, you will get the individual development material access to you.
Material is okay.
Mhm.
The real time that DigiCast or your company that project
Yeah.
hands on.
Yeah, that you need to enroll it separately. After completion the course, you have some pre-assessment for the, once you done the admin and sorry, if you want to go for development, once you done the course, you have one pre-assessment. Once you clear that, you can directly enroll for the DigiCast that live project. But that is a maximum for the full-time projects. If you are available for the full-time, you please directly enroll for the DigiCast project.
So basically, Sai, there are two entities, two different organizations, AJSD Academy and DigiCast India Private Limited. In AJSD Academy, we help people to get the knowledge, upskill, everything will be done. DigiCast is a one another Salesforce implementation company where we have multiple projects. We have US-based non-volunteering project. In India, we are having domestic projects. It's a real client, real project, and we are dealing with their sandboxes. So once you completed the training with AJSD and you will clear the mock interview and all, that tells us you got the clarity about admin development and all. Then that is the pre-assessment we conduct. We hire you in DigiCast as an unpaid intern. We are not going to give you any salary. We hire you as an unpaid intern. And of course, we give you opportunity work on the real-time sandboxes, real-time environment and everything. But by the time when we hire you in DigiCast, we are literally have to spend on the softwares for which we have to give you access. The reason why we hire you, you wanted to get the live examples and live situation. Obviously, for the software expenses, you have to bear the cost. That won't be cost more than 5,000, I can say. End of the in the DigiCast. If you are going to pay like 2,000, 3,000, or 4,000, by the time you enroll for the DigiCast project, you're going to pay only for the amenities you are going to use, the softwares you are going to use, the access you are going to get. That's it. That is not come under course fees and all. So complete the course in AJSD and ensure that you got the complete knowledge, attend the assessment, you clear the assessment, you get an opportunity to join in DigiCast as an unpaid intern where you get a complete hands-on for entire project lifecycle, right from sitting with the client, get the requirement, creating a BRD, sit with the team, develop the project using agile methodology, deploy it, then again attend a client demo, give a demonstration. It's a full cycle project where you'll definitely get the hands-on like anything. We have people who come attended the project and got the package like 20 LPA, 30 LPA, 40 LPA and all. That happens because but the important thing is you have to be available consistently, because if you're going to enroll in DigiCast, it is one another organization. If we don't see people attending the sprint meeting regularly, not attending the deployment calls regularly, right? Obviously, part of the enrollment itself we mentioned, we will relieve the people, because we are going to assign you a module to develop and you have to assign that. Literally, you have to spend your time with us. If you're not consistent, if you're not dedicated, right, then obviously that internship can be cancelled anytime. So it is possible. If you enroll AJSD, getting into DigiCast also possible, and we provide this opportunity from DigiCast only for people from AJSD. If somebody come randomly and ask, I will pay 2,000 and can you enroll me in project, we never do that, because those are our client project, and our clients know that really well. We are getting help from AJSD for the project deployed, right? So that's
Okay.
kind of the MOU we have signed up with the client, and you can also make use of it. Basically, we create some platform where you can come and learn and you gain the experience and you go.
Okay, then that may not be suitable for the people who are working in another organization for 9 hours, right?
For people who are already working in another organization for 9 hours, we can get them as a kind of a contractors. We can still give you unpaid intern. But for example, to develop a module, if it is taking 24 hours, for example, split that into 3 days, 8 hours, you have to work entire 3 day full time and you have to deliver it. Such module we cannot give you for the development. But there are modules in the pipeline. I'm not going to deliver in this sprint, but I can deliver 2 or 3 sprint after that. What we can do, we can assign that particular module to you. You develop this slowly, every day, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, and attend one sprint meeting and showcase what you have developed and make sure it get deployed into the production. In that case also, it can be accommodated. But again, you have to be consistent in terms of spending that at least that 1 hour. If you say, no, I don't have that 1 hour also, then obviously it is difficult. You cannot do that. But you have to ensure at least you have minimum 1 or 2 hours before you enroll for this guest project.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ashok. So we are almost done. So anybody has some questions?
I think we are good to wind up here, Santosh. There are almost, it is 4 hours. I don't want you guys to sit for all the 4 hours. Please drop our WhatsApp number in the chat, and also please drop our WhatsApp number in the WhatsApp channel we have created. If people still have any questions, maybe we can share this recording to them in the WhatsApp channel. Let them go through the recording once again. And then maybe they can reach out to you in person to clarify the query. Sorry guys, it is almost 4 hours. So we have to close the session over here. எல்லாருக்கும் பசிக்குது. So அதனால என்ன பண்ணுங்க, Santosh, please post our WhatsApp number in the chat and it in the WhatsApp channel.
We have already posted, Ashok, in the chat we have posted.
Everyone please make a note of this, or else no issues. What you can do, please visit AJSD Skill Development website and go to this contact us session. In that contact us section, you can find the inquiry form here. Just fill this form. Our team will get back on Monday. All right. So thank you, Santosh. Thank you, Harish. Thank you, Prakash. Thank you, Ram, Chandru, and Preeti, and all the people who have done this 4 hours. And it's an awesome career guidance session. We have been taken so far. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your effort. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for joining. See you all.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
If you are interested to learn Salesforce, visit AJ Skill Development website. There you can find our course curriculum and you can come to know about the list of courses we are offering. We are offering Salesforce Administrator and Salesforce Development courses. To know about us and the team, you can visit our About Us section. This is an organization we are doing Salesforce training from 2018, and we have trained and guided 2,000 plus candidates so far. And if you also want to know about our placement assistance, visit our placement assistance section where you can find the list of people and the category. You can see the list of people who got trained and placed from our side. You can also visit their LinkedIn pages to get to know about our training and also the feedback from the relevant trainees. Okay. And also, if you want to do the course inquiry, click on contact us. You will see the form. You can fill the form and submit the inquiry. Our team will get back to us. Thank you.